Good morning, team. Good morning, team. AR Trace, how you doing, Cap? Good morning to you, Morty. I see you coming through. Good morning to you too, boss. I'm proud to announce. I'm proud to announce. We made it, y'all. We have made partner with YouTube. As you can see on here on my screen, man, we have made partner. We finally did it, man. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy. Man, the way to start off my Fridays, man. Trend detector. How you doing, boss? Man, I can't complain. We made partner. Let's do this. So yeah, man. I mean, shout out to all of y'all too, because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have made partners. So shout out to all the subscribers. Shout out to all the viewers. Man, shout out to all of y'all, man. We made it, man. What's up, J Dog? J Hoff, man. Shout out, bro. Shout out, boss. But yeah, man, we made it, man. I'll turn it off.
Bot Ricks has correctly joined the channel.
Shut up. Turn it off. But yeah, man, champ, good morning to you too, boss, man. And I'm just so excited right now, man. We made it, man. It's a blessing. I can't complain. And we're going to keep it rocking and rolling, team. So without further ado, let me not get distracted behind all of this. Let's go ahead and get the ball rolling, man. But yeah, I'm just excited, man. We made partner. We did it. Hey, man. I mean, champ, Nuno, Marty, all of y'all, like I said, all my viewers, all my subscribers, y'all, we made it. We made partners, so it's time. Another source of income, thank God. Hey, let's keep it rocking and rolling, man. This is for my grandfathers and my niece, man. We're going to keep it pushing. Hope y'all proud of me. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get the party started, team. Let me go ahead and roll this on out. Let's go ahead and get my shout-outs started. No! Give my shout-outs to my latest donators, to Nuno, to Trey Life, and Gangradan. Shout out to y'all, team. Again, I will post a link if y'all do want to participate as far as, putting donation towards the Trey's Foundation, which you already know that goes towards the Thanksgiving drive, that goes towards the back to school drive, that goes towards the Christmas drives. We get back to the kids and everything. I will be posting that in the links. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and do that right now. Let me go ahead and post it. Let me post it. Get out the way. Sorry about that, team. Man, I'm just too excited. I'm just excited. I wasn't expecting it, and I wasn't expecting a fast response, man. Man, shout out, Marty. Appreciate you, boss. I'm gonna go ahead and post the link so y'all have that as well, team. As far as the donations, if y'all do want to contribute to the being a donator. So let me go ahead and close that out. What we got today as far as our earnings. Not really nothing major as far as the earnings as usual. We don't have no major blue chip companies at this time. As I told y'all, we're gonna be having our major blue chip companies as far as the earnings between April and May, and we're gonna talk about that later. As far as economic data, though, let's close that out with economic data. As far as economic data, basically we had our we have our PMI data at good morning, boss. Good morning to you. We do have our PMI data coming out at 9:45. We do have the ISM manufacturing and the construction spending and the consumer sentiments coming out at 10. So we will have economic data at 9:45, and we will have some economic data coming out at 10. So it's up to y'all. If y'all want to trade right at the bell, or do y'all can wait to 10 o'clock? With between basically 10 to 15 minutes ish. And just basically see what the true direction of the market. But do remember, we do have some economic data starting at 9:45 to 10 o'clock. 9:45, we have the PMI data. 10 o'clock, we have the ISM manufacturing index. We have the construction spending and the consumer sentiments coming out at 10. So between 9:45 to 10 o'clock, we will have some economic data. So it's up to y'all. If y'all want to wait till 10, to after everything settles, all the economic data's come out, we can roll from there. It's up to y'all. Like I said, it's your account. What do I have as far as on my talks? Boom. Today's key points. I said possible retest of 510, the high of day. I said buyers look for possible support at 508.50 to 507. Next possible intended target is possibly set for 512. So just letting y'all know. So those are the key talking points as far as today. The retest of the 510, the high of day. Again, buyers do look for lows. Don't buy high. Always buy low. So those areas, we do have some good support around the 508.50 to the 507. So looking between those ranges because you want to get as low as you can for the pushback on up. And again, the next intended target, if we do blow past 510, will be possibly 512. So I'm just letting y'all know. And last but not least, what do we always bring up? Have a trading plan. Remember, team, this is Friday. It's not like Monday through Thursday where we have a full day of trading. This is going to be half a day because once 12 o'clock hit, you're going to have majority of the volume pretty much decreasing because everybody's going to be leaving, go enjoy their weekend, which they got every right to do. So I'm just letting you know it's not going to be a full day of trading, and I will be getting out around 12 o'clock as well too, team. So Fridays, we play it way different. So get as much as you can at the beginning of the market. Shut it down. Enjoy the weekend. Reset for Monday.
Says, Elon Musk lawsuit against
Yeah, I heard about that.
Altman.
I heard about that. So I'm keeping on watch. I'm watching everything today, boss. But we are, like I said, we are pushing. But like I said, do expect some downside to come up later on. We might start at the beginning. We might start, again after everything comes out. Around lunchtime, we might see the basically the market shift. So we might go up, and then we might start to see a shift back on down. So do be mindful of that. So just keep it on watch, and we're going to get everything rocking and rolling. We have 6 minutes left, team. Let me go ahead and get it ready. We're going to be heading up into the charts. But, man, I'm just excited about the partnership, man. But, yeah, man, let's go ahead and go into the charts and get everything rocking and rolling, team. Let's go. Yeah, we back, we here, man. Again, I'm so happy to be a part of the partnership program, man. I get super chats, man, everything. I still got to learn how to work it because I'm new to the partnership program. Because I still have to learn how to memberships and super chats and super stickers and all that. So I'm gonna work on that this weekend. But my main focus is to make my money and make things happen. So you already know how I do. So let me go ahead and move this out the way, put this back into my OBS, and I'm good to go. All right, cool. That'll work. All right, team. So as you can see, we have bounced off of that trend line. As I always told you, that's a strong support line. As you can see right here, we bounced, and we have those the bulls have reclaimed the 508.50 because remember I told you be on lookout between the 508.50 support to the 507 support for the move back on up to the 510.
Says, thoughts on $ZOM?
I got you, boss. About to check you out in a few. I got you. ZOM. I got you. But yeah, like I was telling you, team, your bulls, you always want to get in as low as possible. You do not want to buy high. You want to buy low. So your areas that after this bounce off of this trend line, you can see that we bounced off of that 507, 507.7, I'm sorry. Around here, 507.7 off this trend line. Up to this 508.50, and for the possible run back on up to 510, up to possibly 512. So do keep that on watch, team. So we're gonna do that. So ZOM, let me check this out for Boss Man real quick. What we got? Let's see, Boss. What we have today on as far as this. Let me bring this out too. Yeah. Oh man, you got the OTC. The penny stocks on this bad boy. Let's see what we got, Boss. You do have resistance around this 15 market. You can see right here we had this bounce, Chief. So you will have some resistance coming up around at 15. We have 14.3 right now. So you can kind of see right in this key level we had that strong support. Anytime you're under support, you're under resistance.
Must watch Jags. Overbought.
Got you too, boss. Okay, got you. So on ZOM, you can see right here. You see we got your support where you had a nice strong bounce and you move back on up. Anytime you're under support, that turns into resistance. So do keep that in mind, and you do have that 50-day moving average moving on down. So you're going to have that resistance as well. So you're going to have that 15.21 resistance level plus that 50. So you do have a good little run all the way up to this key level, boss, around this 15.21-ish area here. So you do have that. So basically around 15 cents. You might as well just say 15 cents. You have that run up to this 15-cent area for a possible rejection. However, we do break and hold above that mark. You do have room to basically run up to 16 right here where you have this bounce. This is another support. So if you break this and hold, you have room to run up to this 16-cent mark here. And let me see, because you do have a gap fill. But again, we had the first thing and foremost thing we have to do is get past that 15-cent mark here right here, boss. Because right here you can see you bounced, support, underneath support, now resistance. So this will be a challenge. Like I said, if you do break above 15 cents and get above this 50-day moving average, those two will turn into support and push you back on up towards the 16, 17 up to this 200-day moving average, and that is around 1783, your 200 right here. So you can see right here, every time you run up to that little area, you kind of get rejected. You get rejected. So that's around this 17 mark. So let's make another line real quick. Let's duplicate that. What is this? This is what, almost 18. So let me make a duplicate. So that'd be 18 cents up here. Boom. So yeah, so you can see right here, every time you hit around 18, you get rejected. Every time you hit
Stream
18, you
Elements
get
says,
rejected. Oh, shut up.
enjoying the content?
Oh, shut
Show
up.
your support by following Jatrix on all platforms. Link.
Appreciate you. I don't need you, though. I'm good. I'm good. All right. But yeah, boss, you can see right here, like I said, these are the main two areas. Like I said, you get above that 15 cent, you do have room to run up towards this 18 cent. You get back into this area, and you have this little gap fill to run up to. So your main challenge is 15. You stay above 15, you do have room to run up to this 18 mark. That'll put you pretty much in this little channel. Kind of like this. You kind of see how you have a channel. You got your bottoms. I'm saying, yeah, you have your bottoms, you have your tops, kind of like zigzagging. So that'll put you back in this channel for the room back up to
Thank you, man.
to 18.
I really appreciate it.
Oh, thank you so
Great
much, boss.
content, man.
Thank you. But yeah, so like I said, once you break above that 15 cent, that'll put you back. They'll put you like in this channel. That'll put you in this channel of 15 to 18 cents. You can see right here. So, whoop, thanks so much, boss.
Pixelated Angel is now following on Twitch.
Appreciate you, boss. Let's get back to Spy real quick. What we got left? We got 46 seconds left, team. I hope y'all got that ready. That was another trader, boss. So I was just checking it out. Just checking it out for him, champ. Just getting a good look to it. You know, I like to help any and everybody, no matter what stock they have, So I don't judge, I try to help as much as I can help. They making money? Hey, I ain't complaining on it. Make your money, baby. Keep it rocking and rolling. That's what we do. So yeah, like I said, we hold this key level. What we got left? About 15 seconds left, team. Again, you hold this key level about this 508.50. You can get this push up to this 510 mark. We hold at 510. We do have a possibility to 512. So keep that in watch. And we do have some economic data coming out. And we do have the bell coming out in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Game time. You can clearly see that. So let's see what we get this push to. And do remember, we have economic data coming out at 9:45, between 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So again, you don't have to trade right now. It's up to you. If you want to, it's your account. You can wait till the economic data come out. You got your PMI at 9:45. You got your ISM and your consumer sentiment is coming out at 10. So it's up to you. You can ride the wave on up towards that 510 mark. As of now, calls, you can ride it on up as long as that 508.50 holds. You got a good little run back on up. You can ride it on up to that 510 mark. Right here where you know your bears are located, that is your high of day. You can see right here we ran up in pre-market, we got rejected. So we could be running right back to that same key area. So keep that on watch. And do remember, we have some economic data coming out too. So ride the wave till you get up to that 510 mark, team. And other than that, we'll see what's going to happen. But do remember, today is Friday. We got some value. We'll have a push starting off, but the volume will die down later on. So drive the momentum, add while you can at this time, and go from there. So are you saying sit on your hands till yeah, I'm Marty, smart ass. I just really read what you said. Look, God dang it, Marty always giving me a hard time, man. I don't know what's up. That's supposed to be my right hand man. That's one of the first on to the trade to team trades, and he be coming through just coming at me. But nah, shout out to Marty, man. Marty always holding it down for me, man. Thank you so much, boss. Appreciate you. Man, partnership program, I'm just so, I'm just excited, man. But again, thank y'all to everybody, man. To all the platforms, to all the viewers, to all the subscribers, man. Thank y'all so much for the subscriptions and everything, man. Again, Pixelated Angel, thank you so much again for subscribing. Thank you so much, for following. Thank you for the follow. Definitely blessed, definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's take a look at the companies right now. You got Nvidia in the green still, Meta in the green still. The only ones that's in the red is Google, Apple, and Tesla at this moment. What is Nvidia doing? Oh, so you know what that means. Oh, come on. Do it. Set off my alarm. Set it off. I got you set up here. Do it. You so close. Yeah, so far. Do it. Oh, trigger my alarm. Go ahead. Do it. Push. Oh, push. Do it. It's about to. That's going to be one alarm. Oh, lift. Do it. It's about to hit it. It's about to hit my first alarm. My alert. I said alarm. Alert. Do it. 900. I was expecting that. I was waiting on it. I was waiting on that bad boy. Oh, you hit it. Hit it. Up. Man. That's all I'm going to say, man. Let me look at my contracts. I was waiting on you. For like, I don't know how many days. Oh, I was waiting on you. Volume still suck a little bit on the contract, but I was waiting on this. I was waiting on this. Oh, yeah, buddy. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Well, let me see. I had like different alerts. Because see, I see where that big candle is up here. That's way, way to the 950s. I'm trying to see how high this bad boy going to push.
G24 says, morning, bro.
Good morning, boss man. How you doing, man? Hope you're having a blessed Friday, man. Hope you're having a blessed Friday. Why my alarm didn't go? Did it go off? I didn't hear it. Because it triggered the first alarm. Oh, we're going to hit the second alarm. Oh, you keep pushing. Oh, you keep pushing. Oh, you keep pushing. Yes. Marty, keep me updated because I'm watching this right now. Just keep me updated, boss. Because man, I told you I was going to seek revenge back on this bad boy. Oh, I was going to seek revenge on this. Keep pushing. I'm trying to see if you, I wonder if it's going to go. Keep pushing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Let me see. Keep pushing. How high can this bad boy go? I got another set up here around the 950. I see this long upper shadow. I see where those bears that is here. I don't want it to start turning, though. Keep pushing. Because I see we got some strong pullbacks. Strong. I hope I don't miss this. I might. I needed to push. I need that push. Keep going. Get overextended. Oh, keep pushing. Eva Lasso, appreciate you, queen. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. I say Lassos. Sasso. I think Zazzo. I think I said her name right. But shout out to her, man. Do please give her a follow. Support her channel as well. Come on. Keep pushing. Let me see. I see a. I hope I ain't aim too high. That's what happened last time when I missed that $140,000 mark. That's what happened last time. I missed. Still thinking about that $140,000 mark. Man, keep pushing. Y'all keep me updated on SPY real quick. I'm just watching this. Why is all my stuff seem like it's disappearing? I don't even see SPY on here. Man, why does it seem like all my... Is it on there? Oh, it is on there. Okay. So SPY on there. All right, cool. Boss, I told you I was going to seek revenge back on SMCI. I'm just waiting on setup. I still want to keep seeing it push. I still think it's going higher. I still think we're going to go higher. I'm just waiting on that setup, man. Come on, man. I need that push at least towards these key areas. I mean, it may not go all the way up. I mean, I think 900 may have been it. God. Oh, I'm going to be sick if that's what it was. And I had it set for 900. Man, I'm going to be sick to my stomach if I miss this again. I'm going to get pissed off. I swear I'm going to get pissed. Oh, you. Come on. No. Don't tell me I missed it again. Oh, no. Don't. Oh, my. You know what? Oh, my God. I know I just didn't miss this again. Every time I get shorted, it never go to my... It's always dealing with a double one. If it ain't 1100, it's 911. I swear. It's always them double ones. It's like the double ones hate me or something. Now it's 911 that shorted me. What the you... Man, my goodness. I know I just didn't miss this again. Are you kidding me? Last time it was 1100. Now it's 911. It's always them double ones. What is it with the double ones? I had it. Team, y'all seen it? I was right there. Again. Oh my God. Oh, you better push back on up. Don't piss me off. This is the second damn time this doesn't happen. Push, please, push. It's always them double ones that always catch me. Like I said, with the $140,000 mark I missed, it was 1,100. Now this mark was 199. Oh, 911. It's always these double ones that just. What is it with double ones?
J24 says, is support still 507.5 on spot?
Yeah, boss. As long as you hold between that 50750 to the 50850. Yeah, as long as those areas hold and you see the momentum and those the bulls moving in, you're good to go. As long as them key levels hold, we can push right back on up to that 510, boss. Ah, come on, man. Ah, God, I know I ain't just missed this again. I know better. I know better. I know better. Man, you gotta be freaking kidding me. I got shorted again. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, man. This can't even be happening.
J24 says, thank you.
No problem, boss. You gotta be kidding me, man. This is the second time I done missed a big opportunity on SMCI again, and I got shorted. Now y'all can actually see it for yourselves that I got shorted again. Oh my God. What the hell? What is these double ones, man? Oh my goodness. I'm really starting to hate SMCI with a passion. Because it's a money-making opportunity, but I swear, it teases me. It gets to my area, and it's like, it just drops right underneath it. That's what happened last time. Now y'all can see it for yourselves that I'm not lying, that I'm not making this up. Man, what the hell? It shorted me again. Oh my God. Let me see, what was this? Right? Oh, it might have hit that line. That's probably what happened. Let me see. I forgot about this little bump. This little shadow here. Is that what it hit? Let me go back. Nah, I went above that mark. So what was it that got rejected? No, can't be. Because it's up here. It should be this mark. It should be right where my mark is at. All right, so we are pushing. Okay. All right. Keep pushing. Push. Man, come on, man. Give me one more push. Get another overextension. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Don't do this to me again. I don't need this in my life. I really don't. I don't need this torture. Let me see what's with NVIDIA. Where's NVIDIA? Is it hitting them highs yet that I have marked off? Let me see. NVIDIA. Yeah, it's hitting these tops. That was around, what, 800? 800 to, what, 806 that I do have marked off? Yep, 800 to 806. So that might be getting weak. So if that's getting weak, for sure, SMCI is going to soon be getting weak. Right at my marks, too. Right at my marks on NVIDIA. Right on my marks on NVIDIA. Ah, come on, man. Come on. Give me a push. Come on. Come back on up. Test it one more again. Test it. All right, where we at? Oh, come on, man. Give me another extension. One more extension. Give me another extension. What I got left? About 4 minutes for the next candle to come out. Don't start dropping yet. Go back up. Please move yourself back up this way. I just want to catch that. Because it owes me $140,000. And it shorted me again. It did it again. It did. Man, all right, push. All right, here we go. Let me see if we're going to get it. Let me see if we're going to get it for this last go round. Because I think after it hit, we might start reversing after this candle. But, starting to get weak. Son of a... The pain. We're still holding. I just need that. I need that touch. It owes me. SMCI owes me. It owes me. After that $140,000 miss, you owe me. Give me one more final push, whatever the case may be. Push. Because NVIDIA is hitting those resistance levels. As soon as the NVIDIA turn, all right, let NVIDIA keep going. All right. So let it push. Well, how far can we go? We do push this. We got room to run up to these. That's it. We can break past this mark. That 800 to 806. That's gonna be resistance on NVIDIA. So once that gets rejected and turned back, I know SMCI is gonna turn back. So I do have it marked off right here. We're struggling at. So if it breaks past, like I said, 806, you have a nice little move on up to, I mean, it's showing 820, but I don't know if NVIDIA gonna run that high though. That's the thing. It's pushing though. 806. Let's see. Because that next mark is way up here though. That's way in the, it could. I mean, if the momentum is there, I mean, it definitely could. The higher the better. Oh, so I still might have a fighting chance with SMCI then. Let me see. So, okay. Okay. All right, so I still have a fighting chance. That's what it's telling me. Okay. So I still have a fighting chance. All right, I'll take that. So what we got? Right around my area up here. So that's almost right where we got shorted at. All right, let's see. I'm keeping on watch. Man, I could have jumped. I could have been jumped in and got out. I could have just in and out quickly. It just, I just need that push back up. I need that push back on up. Come on, NVIDIA. If you can push up, SMCI can push back on up. Now, as far as SPY team, we should be having some volume coming in between 9:45 to 10 o'clock because you got your economic data coming out. You do have your PMI data coming out in about a minute. Yeah, 1 minute before PMI data comes out, team. PMI data comes out 1 minute. 1 minute. Keep that on lock. Like I said, as long as your 507 level holds and your 50850 holds, as far as your support, you're good to go to run back on up. So just keep that in mind. As long as these key levels hold, you're good. You bounced off of that trend line. 50850 is holding. You do have room to run right back up to the 510 mark. So just keep that on watch. Just keep it on watch. We might get a nice little spike. Man, you know what? I'm gonna just focus on SPX. I'm not gonna even chase behind because it plays with my emotions. I'm not about to do this. I'm not about to do it. I'm not gonna lie to play with my emotions today. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna stick to SPX. I'm gonna stick to a SPY. I'm not, and plus I don't want to abandon my SPY traders either. I don't want to abandon y'all because I know y'all want me to keep that on watch to help y'all out. So I'm gonna just SMCI just it's like a stubborn girlfriend. Check out your spread. I know I checked it out. I told you. I know. See, I had to learn through SMCI on how to control the spreads, on how to get in. That's what I did last time. I banked on it. It was tricky, but I did it. Oh, I know it can kill accounts, but that's why when it comes to spreads, you gotta know how to do it. You gotta know how to get in on a spread. Oh, I did it last time. I know. Like I said, I know how to deal with spreads. It's not hard at all. The thing is, okay, for those who don't know, when it does come to spreads, right, especially if you're buying in, don't become a chaser. Okay, when it comes to spreads and your spreads are doing this, especially if you're trying to buy from a seller, what you want to happen is on a spread is you want the sellers to come to you. You don't go to them because you go to that seller, your buyers are way down here. So the minute you hit the market, like especially if you get on the market order, you're already to the top. You're already losing because your buyers are way down here. Now you're a seller having to wait for your buyers to move up to you. So nope. In order to eliminate that, I'm telling you what to do. On a crazy spread, wait for your sellers to come to you. Do not chase your sellers. That's how you control the spread or getting in on the spread. Don't chase your sellers. Have your sellers chase you. Have them come down to your level. It's like going to a car dealership and you're talking to a salesman and they have a certain price and you have a certain price. All you trying to do is get the salesman to come down to your price. Same thing with a spread. You want that seller to come down to your price. That's it. Let's see. We got the data coming out. Let's see. See what kind of volume is moving in. Let's see what type of volume is moving in. Are we gonna push back on up? Let's see what's gonna happen. I still think we have room to still push. Because I don't think the turnaround is just yet. Still think we got that push to go. Let's see. Can we get it? Can these buyers move in and actually push on up? Let's see. Like I said, we just have to have the buyers step up. I mean, right now it's the buyers because, you're already holding your certain key levels. You're already holding pretty much your uptrend. You're pretty much already holding the 50850 because you can see right here we have your activities at where you get rejected. You remember, anytime you're above resistance, that turns into support. You're already holding that key level. Now, since you're holding that key level, you need the buyers to move in for the push on up. So, other than that, the bears can come in, but your buyers do need to step up and start that push. They do need to step in right now while you have those floors at this moment and get as much as you can out of it before let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Are we starting to get it already? The pullback? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Oh, man. It's crazy. All right. 805. 805.50. Let's see if those buyers going to try to hold this key level and try to push back on up. Trap those bears for another nice little pushback on up. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. All right. They're moving in. Seeing a little bit of buying pressure moving in. Just a slightly pushing. Buyers are stepping in. Slightly. See that buying pressure? There they go. Let's see if they're going to push, though. We need to push above that 509.06 for that run up to that 510, because nothing else is stopping it after you break past that 509.06. You should be straight to push on up past this point. Got to see what these buyers going to do. Yeah, what are these buyers going to do? There we go. There go the buying pressure.
Gang rate says
Slightly.
PMI 52.50 vs 51.50. It's good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the buyers should be stepping in. Buyers should be, they slowly stepping in because you're seeing a little bit of buying pressure coming on up, but they're not pushing. Push. As long as you're holding that 508.50 level, buyers can take advantage of it and push on up. So that's the key. That's what you want to watch as far as your buyers and your calls. You want to they're already holding a good level. They just need to start to push, break past that 509 mark for that run back on up to this 510 mark. So let's keep it on watch if they can get this push. And do remember, we got more news coming out within almost 10 minutes. We got more news coming out. So that might add more hype. That's why I was telling y'all to either sit on your hands all the way till 10, or you can trade it, as long as you're holding that, especially calls, you can hold it, you can ride it as long as you're holding that key level 508.50. You're holding this key level here, you can continuously run back on up. You have room to run. Because normally on Fridays, you get the squeezes at the beginning, So, that's why I'm just keeping on watch to see if those buyers going to step in and make that move. So I am keeping on watch, team. Why do my chat box keep disappearing on me? Got to keep putting it back over and over again. That's annoying. Yeah, buddy. And this started fall, didn't it? It still ain't hit my level, though, huh? Nope. Still ain't hit my level. So I'm keeping on watch. Like I said, I'm still watching it. I'm still watching. I still got that like that. I got that side on that bad boy. It's just not up to my levels yet. I want that level. I want to go as high as it can. If it go up to 950, I'll take that too. That's getting overextended. I want that. So while your buyers in them still fighting, getting a little weak. Sellers are stepping in. Them buyers need to hold at 508.50. 508.50. Gotta hold. They're fighting right now. Let me see. How far do I got left? Before I get a good opportunity? Let's see. Let's shrink this down just a slight bit. Right around, right where I got this. Yep, it's right about that 940. Oh, it's still pushing. All right, cool. Let it push towards those highs. I'll take that. Let it get overextended. I want that bad boy overextended off of that 9 MA. I want to keep going. I want to just get as much as I can out of that bad boy. I just want the just grimiest. Push as hard as you can up to levels. We're still moving. Hell, if you can run up to 920, I'll take it. You have run up to almost 950, I'll take it. Just keep pushing. I'll take it. Go ahead, keep pushing. You had a nice little move here before a rejection. Boom. How did that go? How many? That was what, an $80 move? From 800 to 880? That's 80. So how can we go today? Can we push from 880 to? Because these areas too, boy. These some treacherous areas where those bears stepped in. Here. You can see that for sure. That's all the way back on up towards 950. But that's what I'm trying to say, y'all. I don't know if we're gonna push all the way that high. I'm gonna have to keep it on watch. Could we? Could we start getting rejected here? It's a little tough. It is overextended, but I'm just trying to see. Because NVIDIA is still testing. So NVIDIA still holding, but it's still underneath that 806. See, 806 is still holding. So let me go put that to the right side, the price. Yeah, see, 806 is still holding. So that's why I'm just still waiting for the setup. So 806 is still holding, as you can see. That's still holding up as resistance. So you break 806, you have a nice clear run of that 820. right here where you had this long red candle. So you got room to run back up to 820. So I just want to know how much gas does Nvidia have left in the tank. So I just want to keep it on watch. I don't want to jump in too early.
Goro Gang Raid says, Meta all-time high.
Meta, where we at? Ooh, I ain't chasing Meta. I mean, I don't really trade Meta. Not bad though, but I just don't trade it. Probably because I got to set on a different chart. That's why my indicators are stuck in the air like that. Let me go to my 5 week. Go back. Where you at? Why the hell do I have these? I gotta say something I haven't set on for me to have this. They have these lines. I mean, this straight green. Look at this. Green. This, oh yeah, definitely bullish. And this, yeah, it's definitely bullish. Let me go to a 6 month and see if it still look like that on a 6 month. Yeah, still bullish. Let me take these lines off. Cause I don't know why the hell I had these lines to begin with. Must have been doing something. I'm looking at something when I did this. I'll come back and figure it out. Let's see. Remove. Yep, cause I had a high. Well, I had 500. So we at what, 75 now? 175. All right, boom, 175. So 175 didn't hit. I mean, it's overextended, but that bad boy running. Like nothing stopping Facebook at this moment. Well, Meta. I mean, it is getting overextended though. It is getting overextended. I mean, you can clearly see that bad boy is getting overextended. Off the 9 EMA, going into these areas by itself. You already know what that means. You hit up towards these little areas. So again, when we're gonna get that pullback, I mean, it's starting to get a little weak right now. I mean, so keep your eyes on Meta on that. Around 575, you got rejected. So you back on down to 498 right now. So that's hitting highs, resistance as well. Nvidia, you still getting rejected at 806? Yep, still getting rejected. So that means SMCI isn't. You bastard. It's just not giving in on my areas I want. It's just not doing it. SPY as well. SPY's still testing that 508.50 mark. That's still holding. We got some economic data coming out in 5 minutes. Man, don't start turning already. I want to see another touch around at 510. I mean, we should still, as long as this hold. I mean, you can still see buys move in and push because this key level is still holding. It's still a good demand zone for buyers to move in because that area is still holding. 508.50 is still holding. So you can see right here, every time you come down, that buying pressure moves right in. So it's kind of like right in between. It's not like strong pressure just yet. I mean, you're still holding on top of 508.50. But you just got to break that 509 for that pushback on up.
Goro Gang Raid says, what do you think about Jenks?
Jenks, boss? Let me check it out. Jenks. Let's see. Damn, it's already getting weak, though. Look at that long up a shadow. 79, you got rejected at? I'm sorry, 76.99, you got rejected. And we are all the way back on down to, that was like a, what, $30 drop? $30 to $20 drop already? And damn, then that's a huge gap up. Cool, man. You up on a gap up too? Yeah, buddy. Cause especially if you don't get back on these levels, I mean, especially if you come back under this low here, where that red candle is, right about here. If you start getting weak and flipping back the other way, so the only thing that's gonna hold you up right now is that 46.33. I'm 43. So if you go take a closer look right here, if you start getting below that body of that candle, you start reversing back down this way, down to what is that, 40? Because it's weak right now. It's definitely weak. You can see that clearly. Man, after that gap up, you got kind of like that 40 zone right here. So go to 40. Boom, boom, boom. You see that right here. So yeah, you like I said, if you start to crack underneath that body of that candle, that red one right here around that 46 level, you could definitely still move right back on down towards the bottoms of that wick. So you got resistance because you got to break. What is this? 40, almost 50? Yeah, 50. That's going to be natural resistance already. So natural resistance, 50. In general, natural resistance. So the only thing that's holding you up is 46 to this 40 mark. So the only thing above your head is 50. 50 is natural resistance. And you see every time you hit 50, see how you got that you got stuffed on this green candle right under here? Boom. Came down. Now you back under 50. See that? Back under 50, back under 50. Now you're underneath 50. That's going to be resistance as of now. 50 is going to be a strong resistance level because that is a natural resistance. So you hit 50, room to come back on down to that 46 and possibly down to that 40 mark. So 50 for sure, boss, is going to be natural resistance. Right now it's at 49.35. Keep your eyes on 50. Watch. Just keep it on watch. Watching that 50 mark. See what it does. All right, well, we at 10 minutes. Let me go back to SPY. Because I'm trying to nail a trade, man, but I'm just trying to see which way we're going. I mean, like I said, I want to see it go up. If I'm going for a put, I mean, I want to see it go up. I mean, definitely. But right now, like I said, your buyers are still holding at that 508.50 mark. They still holding. Go this way so you can see the number. 508.50, still holding. Buying pressure and moved in. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Held 508.50. Who got in at 508.50? Around 508.50. At this pullback. Who got in? Who got in around this area? I told you, as long as that 508.50 holds, your buyers in control. Look at that. Buying pressure came back on in. Boom. Break that 509.06. You got room to run back on up. Who got in? Who got in? Don't lie. Don't lie to me. Who got in? I called it. I told y'all. As long as 508.50 hold, you can push back on up. I told y'all. I told you. 508.50. Would have got in at 10 and wasn't so close. Yeah, we got what? What we got left? About 30 seconds? I mean, AR, you still could have did a scalp. You still could have did a scalp. You didn't have to hold it long term. As long as this area holds, you can run it back up to that resistance levels of 506 or 509.06. What I told you about the scalping. You get in at bottom areas and run it up to resistance. Could have easy scalp, AR. You know this by now. Come on now. Look at this. Got in at the low area. Look. AR! AR! Oh! I told y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I told y'all where to get in at. Oh my god. Woo, man.
Gang Raid says.
Oh man. I told y'all where to get. Hey, I told y'all where to get in at. I called it. Hey, I told y'all exactly where to get in at. Man. Hey, your boy called it. I called it. I told y'all where to get. I told y'all exactly where to get in at. Can't say your boy didn't tell you. You can't say your boy didn't tell you. Oh. I told you, boss. I told you. Oh, man. I wasn't expecting the move to happen so fast. I tried to get in my down, so I tried to get on my put, but god dang, that move happened quick. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Ha! I was trying to get it on mine. That jump happened quick. All right, keep it pushing, 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 keep it pushing. There you go, there you go, there you go. Man, that was fast. I couldn't catch it. That thing did this. I was like, God. Oh, man. AR, I told you, buddy. Oh, man, I called it. I called it. I called it, boss. I called it. I called it. Oh, man, look at this. Man, look at this. Man, I tried to nail that dang it, like I said, it moved so damn quick, I missed it. I was trying to catch that put. It happened too fast. I'm gonna wait for another setup. I'm gonna wait for the next one. That thing just if it holds, like I said, we can retest 510. Your 508.50 is still holding. Until you crack 508.50, I mean, yeah, we can definitely still pull back down. But 510 is still holding. I mean, them bears came in. Them bears was ready. Them bad boys, they came in. They definitely came in. I mean, it's still holding. It's still holding. So just give it some time. You gotta give it some time. Don't force. Don't rush. Just wait. Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. If you're going for puts, wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Wait. Just wait. Just wait. Sit on your hands. Sit on them lovely fingers. just chill. Chill. Man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I was aiming for that bad boy too. I was waiting. I was waiting. It happened, like I said, it happened so quick. I was like, God dog. That junk happened quick, man. Man, it caught me off guard. I was literally trying to go for it. I just missed it because like I said, it happened fast. It just shot up and then it just. Oh!
Anonymous tipped $100.
Whoa!
Yeah, you the man. Nail that play on the call for bank.
Man, shout out to you. Ooh, $100. God, boss, shout out to you. Man, that was insane. I told y'all the 805.50. The 805.50, boy, you get that push. Oh, now we're getting weak. Uh-oh. Here it is. Man, this is about to get crazy. Man, Nuno, shout out, boss. Shout out, man. God dog, look at this. Ooh, man. I was trying to get it on my put, but man, it like I said, it shot up so quick. Man, Nuno, shout out to you, boss. Shout out, man. You say how you think you got lucky on that, champ? I told y'all, 508. I told y'all, as long as 508.50 holds, you got room to run back up to 510. Didn't I not? What did it run? 510. I told you. I told you. As long as that 508 holds, 508.50 holds, look what happened. Boom, 510. I told you. I called it. I literally called it. I mean, it worked out perfect. I said as long as 508.50 holds, you got room to run. Boom! 510. I told you. Man, that was crazy. That was crazy. He said we made new high. Oh yeah, 50, we did 510 21. I told y'all. And it's still pushing. We haven't dropped yet. 508 still holding. So let's see. How much gas did this bad boy got left in the tank? 508.50 still holding. We have not cracked it. Like I said, yeah, it was nuts. That's why I said after that news came out, I told y'all, as long as 508.50 is holding, bosses, y'all are good to go. Y'all golden. Excuse me. I told y'all, man, as long as that hold, y'all good. Y'all are good to go. You got to trust the system, team. You got to trust the system. Trust it, baby. Trust it. Oh, that's not what I want to get in at. Oh, hoping to take more order. Nope, don't get in. Oh, we at 15. We're still watching. I'm still keeping on watch. Because still trying to hold above that 50. Like I said, the 50 is over your head, though. It's trying to hold. I'm just waiting on that. I'm waiting on that signal. That signal, to me, that signal has, it could be, man, all right. Are we getting the signal now? Are we still holding? See, still holding. The signal to me haven't hit yet. The signal hasn't happened yet. It hasn't happened. That's why I'm not jumping the gun. I still feel like this, now 509 is going to try to hold. You notice now? Look, that old resistance came into support. Look at that, 509 held. 509 is trying to hold for another pushback on up. How high can we go, though? This is insane. This is crazy. I'm just watching the madness just take place. This is crazy. How much high can this bad boy go? This is crazy. Like, I want to jump in, but it's like these levels are holding now. That's the only reason why I haven't jumped in as far as my puts, because now 509.06 is holding, because now you broke above it. And those buyers are taking advantage of it for another push on up, for possible push on up. So that's why I'm watching to see. That's why I'm not jumping in just yet, because that 508.50 held, now 509 509.06. So we could be trying to push up again. So let's see. I'm just watching. I'm just carefully watching. I'm letting it do what it do. I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing. That's crazy though. Oh, and look. Ooh, I told y'all, long as 508 holes, hey, anything can happen. Anything can happen. Squeezes is hey, I'm just telling you. The possibility. And look what's happening. All due to 508.50. The endless possibilities right now. The endless possibilities. And that is sick. Definitely sick. And that bad boy is still trying to push. Ooh, woo. That is crazy. This is insane. How high can we go? I mean, yep. Let me see. Yeah, 509 is still holding. 509 is definitely still holding. I'm just trying to see how further can these bad boys push. 560, 60, still pushing, still trying to push. How much do you have left in this tank? Insane. Are we going back to 9, 5, 10 again? We're going back. It looked like it want to go back to 5, 10 again. God, that is crazy, man. That's insane. Look, still pushing. Squeezing them. Ooh, squeezing. Just the squeezing, man. Do y'all see this? Still squeezing them. Ooh, this is crazy, man. They are squeezing the crap out those shorts, man. God. I'm trying to see how much they got left in the tank, man. What we got left on this candle? Oh, we still got some time to push. I mean, you still got time. Look, still pushing. Still pushing. Squeezing them. Ooh, squeezing them boys like a lemon right now. Look at that. It's just the squeezing. Squeezing. Look at that. Oh. God, dog. Still squeezing. Hey, I'm watching this with y'all. This is insane. You going right back up to those highs. I told you that 508. Look, 508.50. Where that line at? I told you 508.50. 508.50. The endless possibilities. Look at that. Endless possibilities. Just the dude. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Endless possibilities. Endless possibilities. I told you. Man, I know y'all getting paid. I know y'all banking right now. Man. I know y'all banking, man. Tell me y'all banking, man. What we got? Damn it, I'm gonna have to expand it. Let me see real quick. Shout out to you, boss. Shout out to you. I told you, as long as that 508.50 holds, look at that. 508.50, endless possibilities. It's insane. I told y'all, endless possibilities. It's crazy. All due to 508.50. And it's still squeezing. I told y'all, getting a little upper shadow now. Coming in. We'll see. Underneath that 510. Underneath 510. I might slowly go for puts. Slowly. Just go in slow. Because, it's getting a little weak. You're underneath that mark now. But I'm going to watch carefully because it's still pushing. I want to see. Keep it on watch. I'm keeping on watch. Because I still want to see if we're going to break 510. This is it. If this is it, is this the turnaround? Or are we... Look like I still want to push. Still want to push. Just slightly. I'm going with just one. I'm gonna just do one. I'm gonna do one just to test it, just to see. Just do one. I just keep pushing, keeps pushing. I'm gonna just, like I said, because right now you're squeezing like crazy. I'm just play it safe. I could have added more, but I'm just I want to see where we go from here. I can't add more. But I just want to see. Yeah, where is Charlie Queen? Because normally she be on top of this. She'll be like, hey, big drop. Okay.
J24 says, IWM resistance, any idea?
I mean, 510. I mean, 510 is still gonna be resistance, boss. I mean, you broke above it, but 510 is still gonna hold. 510 is still gonna hold as right now, cause your last high was 513, 510.13, and then this one was 510.21. So I mean, right now, I mean, it's still pushing. You know, so like I said, I'm just being smart about it. So it can still push as long as these key levels hold. I mean, you got room to run still. You still got room to run. Back up to 510 again. So keep it on watch. It's still pushing. Still pushing. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch.
J24 says, no IWM LOL.
So let me see. Like I said, that area still holding. All done for the day. Green. He say green. Shout out to you, boss. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, boss. Still keep it on watch. Still keep it on watch. Still keep it on watch. See where we at. See where we at. I mean, it's still, like I said, man, them buys are still there. As long as you hold those key levels, those buys are still there. So don't doubt it. Let's see. Let's see. Are we gonna get that push past 510? Or will those bears move in at 510?
J24 says, own as in Russell.
Let me see. Hey Jay, did you make any trades, boss? Did you get in on anything?
J24 says, in.
Yeah, boss. I mean, I'm just holding right now. I'm just seeing. Like I said, I'm only winning one contract. I'm just seeing exactly where those buys. You know, how high can they push? I'm just doing bit by bit. So, because I know I'm around at 510, because especially around 510, you can push back on down to 509. So that's why I'm just getting around these high areas where we can have a nice little pullback down once we get back down to those levels. So I'm just slowly adding bit by bit. That's all I'm doing. Slowly doing it, because I'm just letting that keep pushing. So to get a nice little pullback, you know. Since I already missed that move, you know, shout out to the call. So I'm just, you know, playing these tops right now. I'm just watching carefully, just watching it slowly. So he's still pushing. Still keeping us on watch. And it's still pushing. Look at this. Look. I told you. That bad boy's pushing. That bad boy still pushing. Yep, back at 510, back at those highs. Let's see. How high can this bad boy push? How high can we squeeze? Can we create a new high? New high day? Still keeping on watch. Hey, Marty, you jumped in? Did you trade? Yep, still pushing. Overextended, still pushing. Like I said, everything's still. So I'm just watching it. I might add another one at $1 mark. I mean, that'll definitely increase that. So I'm just add another one as we get lower. So I'm just keeping on watch. So I got one at 50. So I'm gonna see how high can we keep pushing. I'm just going in bit by bit, boss. I'm just separating it. I'm spreading out my contracts. But I'm getting into those high areas for sure. Best believe I'm at them high areas. I'm not getting in nowhere into no 509, 508 where I know they got support at. I'm not touching that. So I want to clear these tops as much as I can. Let my contracts drop a little bit lower. You know, catch them little areas. I want to buy in the low as possible. Add my next contract a little lower my average. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. Boss. I had to make sure I had the right contract. The right date. I'm like, man, I didn't want to get stuck in another one. All right, where we at? Still pushing, still trying to push. Right there, that new high day mark. Let me see. This was your old one at 510.13. See 510.13. You back at that one. Back at the old high day again. Back at the old high day. Can I get another lower push? Let me see. Like I said, my contract get lower. I'm gonna add another one. But it's starting to seem like it's starting to move. Because I got room for that bad boy to run back on up. So I just want to see. Up. Let's see. I'm keeping on watch. Up. Contract starting to move up. I was trying to get as low as I can. I wanted to add another one. Shoot. man, just like I said, I'm way at the top. I don't never buy high. Hell to the no. I short high. I don't buy high. No, not happening. Damn, man, I wanted to catch the absolute bottom. I mean, the absolute tops. I couldn't. I had went in a little too early, but it's all good. I know. Right now, I'm trying to. I'm just watching. Well, I jumped in the SPX right now, boss. I jumped in around these highs. I want to see how much longer can this 510 hold before we get a possible pull back down. So I like to buy high where I know we can come back down to support levels. So that's why I'm just keeping on watch. So right now we're still sitting in those highs right now. But the entry that I'm in, I have a possibility to get out back at 509. So I'm just watching. So right now we're still above 508.50 and 509. So those would be my areas of entry exits. So I'm just watching carefully, watching very carefully to see where we go. Still got a little bit of steam left in it. So I'm just keeping on watch. Like I said, I'm just doing it slowly. Could have added more, but I want my contracts to get a little lower so I can lower my average. So I'm just keeping on watch, though. I am keeping on watch. Like I said, I just want to see what's left in the tank for this bad boy. See what happens. See when them sellers gonna actually start stepping up, and then we start to see a reversal because it looks weak. It does start to look a little weak. A little weak. A little weak. I mean, I should have got in the 105s. I hate when I do that sometimes. I get in a little too early. All right, let's see. I'm keeping on watch. Keeping on watch, team. Keeping on watch. It's gonna be a little tricky. High on SPX for a few days ago was at 511. Hardy girl, are you trading? Are you still in Tesla? Yep, still watching, because we still above 509.6. Like I said, I'm still watching those key areas. I just want to see exactly. I'm just keeping on watch. I'm not adding until I see contracts and everything setting itself up perfectly the way I want. So I'm just watching. I'm testing out trading SPX. Yeah, I mean, we're dealing with SPX is just about the timing. You definitely gotta be on top of knowing your entries and knowing your exits, knowing your resistance, knowing your support levels. So that's basically what it's about with SPX. That's why you gotta know when to get in. You gotta be very mindful of your moves. So that's why right now I'm just watching. That's why I haven't went in fully. So I'm just watching, see how much is more left in the tank on your as far as your calls. So I'm definitely watching that still, because everything's still pushing. As long as you're holding that 509, 508.50, I mean, of course, I knew that. But I knew that squeeze was coming. I definitely knew that squeeze was coming. So I'm just waiting. Because and another thing that I'm looking at too is I'm just trying to see if those bulls are trying to set up bear traps. That's another thing I'm looking at. I'm trying to see if they're setting up bear traps for a possible another squeeze. See, I'm watching that. See how it came on down and those bulls moved in for a bear trap. So I'm just watching to see if they're setting more bear traps for another, possible move on up to a higher price point. So I'm just watching that. That's why I don't get in on reds on puts. I don't do that. I do greens. I don't get in on reds. I'm like, nope. Cause that's definitely bear traps. You trying to jump in on puts on a red candle, and that's basically where those bulls are setting those bear traps at, and you setting yourself up for failure. I'm in on paper trading at this moment. So I just want to see, keep it on watch, because 510 is still holding. 510 is still holding by the bears right now, because the bulls haven't broken above it, but I am keeping it on watch, because it's still set up for a possible push. Don't get me wrong on that. It looked like a bear flag. It's still set up for a possible push. That's why I'm trying to see how much is left in this tank. I want to see exactly how much is left. I'm just keeping it on watch. Because right now, like I said, the market is still fresh. It's still 10 o'clock. I want to see how high can those buyers push, because I think we may go past that 5, 10, 20 mark. If they follow through on that bull flag setup, I mean, you can definitely see higher. We can definitely see much higher, but that bad boy is just still, we right at that 510 level. 510 level for sure. So, and I'm gonna show you why I'm just watching this carefully, because every time you go up around 510, See, your bears are sitting right there, around that 510 mark. So that's why I'm watching closely. I think that was the only area though. Yep. So that's what I want to see, because you're kind of like U-shaping in a sense. So if I go back, let me see if I can shrink up my chart just a slight bit. See, kind of U-shaping. See that? It's kind of like a U-shape. If you pay close attention, the whole thing U-shaped. See that? Pay close attention to this, like this U-shape, which I can say we could catch a pop. You know, we could move back. We could go to a higher level. We could. If those buyers move in and break that 510 level, you could see another squeeze to 511. That could happen. That's a possibility, you know. If they can break 510. If they can break 510. So that's why I'm just keeping on watch. Because you could definitely see a U-shape pattern. You can clearly see that. Again, if those buys step up and break that 510 and hold that 510, you could see a move to the next level. So right now, it's just up and down. It's up and down right now in this little level. Slowly. Yeah, so like I said, Harley Girl, just all about knowing your patterns. You just got to pay close attention to details. So I'm just watching this carefully because we are off that 9 EMA and you are at resistance levels by itself without the help of the 9 EMA. So that's why I'm just watching, just to see. I'm just keep my eyes peeled, just to see exactly, you know. So to see what these buyers gonna do. Are we gonna get that push to the next level? All those bears gonna move in. So right here we are at a crucial key level. This is the bear territory, but I want to see if those bulls is going to take over for another push. I mean, they're trying to. Trying. Key words is trying. They haven't broken it yet. Not yet. So I'm just watching this key level here. So it's kind of like a bull flag setup. So if you look at it like this, you're kind of like on a bull flag pattern. See that? Look like it's doing it now. Kind of like a bull flag setup. So I'm just keeping on watch. Keeping on watch. Look like it wants to break to a new level. And see, it's pushing. Look at that. Look like a new high day wants to take place. Look, here we go. Bull flag setup. Can we see a new high? Look like we about to see it. Did I miss that one too? Yep, still pushing. Uh-oh, new high day coming. New high day coming, team. New high day coming. Yep, here it is. We about to see it. New high day. Boom. New high day. I told you that squeeze. I told you that bear flag. See that? We can squeeze higher. You can squeeze higher. I told you. We can definitely squeeze up to higher levels. You can keep pushing. You guys still got room in the tank to go. I mean, you still got room. It's still bear flagging. Look at that. Still bear flagging. I told you that bear flag, bear. Bear flag for sure. Can we push up to that 511? I told you we might see 512. We could. I mean, it's a possibility you can still see 512. If like I said, if we keep forming these bull flags, and keep pushing, we could definitely see 512. Because you're not too far from 511. You get to 511, you're only $1 away from around that 512 range. Excuse me. Can they hold above this 510? They got to stay above 510 in general. Especially above these highs. Yep, keep pushing, keep squeezing. I mean, you got room to keep going. You're still on the bear flag setup. Still on the bear flag setup on the 5 minute. I can see it right here. Bear flag setup. That's what I was telling you. That's why I said I was keeping on watch to see if they're going to trap them bears, and they did. And it's going to keep squeezing. So, especially, like I said, Fridays, you normally get those short squeezes. Keep that on watch, team. Keep it on watch, team. You can still keep pushing. Still can keep pushing. Just keep it on watch. Still trying to come on up. Still got room to run. Like I said, we can still push up to 511. If those bulls are still there. Friday mornings, hit new highs, watching Jay do his thing. Shout out to you, Gert. So yeah, still pushing. Like I said, you still got to run. Who's still in? Who's still on calls? Are y'all still in on calls? I mean, it's still running. I mean, like I said, you got possible run up to this 511. That's still push. You go up to 512. So I mean, you squeeze short squeezes. You're on a bear flag. Who's still in on the call? Go! Shout out to you,
Gert
boss.
subscribes to YouTube.
Shout out to all y'all, man. Everybody coming through. Yeah, like I said, let it keep running. I mean, that bear flag, that bull flag setting up, you still good. You still good to go. Still good to go, team. Still good to go. Still good to go. Yep, let that bear flag, let it keep on going. Let it keep on going. How much higher can we go, though? I said you got 512. I mean, you definitely got 512 to push. If that bear, like I said, if that steam keeps rolling, 512. He still put, look, 5, 10, 40. I told you, 511 coming. 511 coming. Who's still in on the call? Who is still in on the call right now? Who is on a call? That's what I want to know. Who's still rocking and rolling? Who's still riding it? Who's still riding it on up? I told y'all, man, you hold that 508.50, push. 508.50 push. I mean, it's still rocking and rolling right now. Still rocking and rolling. Let me look at my other chart. Let me see how. Yep, that bad boy is pushing. That bad boy is pushing. And you do have room to run.
Gang rate says
512.
20 DT contract.
Yeah, you still have room to run up to like 5. I say between 511 and 512. So I want to see how. That's why I want to see how much higher can that bad boy push. I still say 512. I mean, we may get it, we may not. But I mean, I can clearly see a 512 run. I can clearly see that. If it keeps going, because look where we at right now, 511, almost close to that mark. We're about 50 cents away from 511. I told you, man, it's running. That bad boy isn't pushing. I told you, we ain't too far from 511, and we ain't not too far from 512 once you cross 511. Still pushing. I mean, they still holding. Now they're gonna turn that. Now they're gonna try to turn that 510, that old high there. They're gonna try to turn that into support. Where they're gonna try to trap them bears. See, watch, you're gonna pull back, and this little area, they're gonna try to. Once they get that pull back, they're gonna try to get another a bear trap, so they can try to rip it back on up again. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Let's see if those bulls gonna hold this level 9 support, trap those bears, and keep going. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. That's why let's pay close attention, because now they can take advantage of this level that's broken, turn that into support for a move back on up. So just keep that on watch. Let's see if the bears, see if they can hold on, jump back in for the buying pressure. Or is it turning? Let's see. I'm keeping on watch. I'm gonna see if the bulls gonna try to set up the bears again for another pop back on up. Do a bad trap, then a pop, bad trap, pop, bad trap, pop, and just keep going until they get to 512. So I'm gonna just keep it on watch, because they pulling back. This might be a bad trap. Keep it on watch. As long as you, like I said, as long as you hold these certain key areas, you're good. So I'm gonna just keep watching, because you're still testing that trend line on a 5 minute. So even on this pullback, let me see if they're gonna try to trap bears on this pullback. Definitely keep it on watch, team. Definitely keep it on watch. Yep, see, they trapping bears. See, they trapping them? They trapping them. They are definitely trapping them, because we haven't cracked that trend line just yet. Let's see. Let's see if the bears got it, if the bulls going to have it. Let's see if some buying pressure going to come back in, and you start to see a lower. Let's see. I'm keeping on watch. I just want to see if those buys going to start to step back in, and that buying pressure starts to go back up. I'm keeping on watch. See, buying pressure. See? Yep, let's see. All right, buys, what you going to do? Are you going to trap them back? Yep, look like they're doing it again. Look like trying to trap the bears again. Buying pressure coming back in again. Yep, holding. Yep, there you go. Trapping them. Boom, trapped them. Trap the bears again. Another squeeze coming. Possible another squeeze coming. They can hold it. If they can hold above 510, squeeze those bears. They gotta get back above 510 though. Buyers need to get back above 510. Gotta get back above 510. Gotta get back above 510. That buying pressure has to kick back in, hold back above 510 for the push back on up. And look like that's what they're trying to do. Look like that's what they're trying to do for a possible another squeeze coming. If they can trap those bears, boom, boom. I told you. Dude, you can just read this, man. That's crazy. They're literally trying to trap those bears. I'm telling you, they trying to trap the bears. It's crazy. It's crazy to read this. It's crazy how you can just read this. Pull back, trap those bears, boom. Buying pressure comes back in, boom, pop back on up. It's just, you gotta just read this. It's just you get used to reading this over and over and over and over and over again. Enjoy your weekend, Queen. Enjoy the weekend. Yep, look like they trying to trap them. They trying to trap them again. Like I said, they can hold. If those buyers can hold above 510, they gotta hold above 510. That's how you can trap your bears. Buyers gotta trap them. Hold above 510 for that counter close, and then boom, turn it back into support, move back on up again. Let's see. Cause this is a bad trap. This is a bad trap. But you gotta see how many bears you have versus buyers right now in this area. Cause your bulls can move in, but bears are moving in. Bears are definitely moving in. But they got, I mean, gotta have up. Damn, the bulls almost had them. Bulls almost had them. Let's see. What we got left on this counter? Let's see. Let me see. Because normally, let me see how strong that buying pressure is about to be now. I want to see if they're going to push it. If they got the strength to push that back up above 510. If they got the strength to push that back above 510, those buyers are still there. Look at that. Look at that. Slowly trying to move back on up. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. They're down there underneath. Let's see. Let's see. Seems like they didn't have enough buying pressure to push it back on up. I'm keeping on watch. It's interesting to watch this though, huh? It's crazy. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. You back under 510 now. See, the goal was for the buyers to keep it stay above 510, trap those bears for the move back on up. And he closed underneath 510 on the 5. I'm like, I was rooting for the Bulls. I thought they were gonna keep going. I mean, they still can. I mean, especially if you hold a 509 or the 509 to 508. Because if you get rejected and come back on down, I mean, you still have support back on down if you get rejected for a nice hard drop. So, I mean, it's still holding. So I still want to see what's going to happen. Because Bulls are still trying to buy in. It's crazy. It's crazy to watch this. It's insane to watch this. That's crazy. Yep, so there go your buyers. Our buyers are trying to reclaim it. Let's see. Because you're back underneath now. That's the only issue. You're back underneath 510. You should have stayed on top of 510. So that's going to be the trick. The only trick to that. You're back underneath it. You slowly back underneath that bad boy. See if those buyers can push and stay above 510. Nah. Look like the Bears have it again. Uh-oh. Look like the Bears have it. What we got left on this counter? Oh, shoot, we still got some time on the counter because this is a 15-minute counter. So, I mean, anything can still happen. Oh. Getting a little weak. Getting a little weak. Getting a little weak. Little weak. Little weak. Yeah, underneath that 510. Underneath that 510. Just getting a little weakish. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. It's still trying to hold. They definitely still trying to hold, though. Man, the Bulls had it, man. They can get back above 510. You got it. But now the Bears are moving in because you back under 510 now. Man, I was watching it. I thought they was gonna continue to squeeze. Up, back under 510, bad territory again. I was rooting for them boys. I was rooting for them. That was crazy to watch though. I mean, they had it. The Bulls had opportunity, man. Bulls had it. Let me see. I'm still keeping on watch, though. Because you're still not too far from 510. So I'm just keeping on watch because we haven't had like a major drop just yet. Everything's still holding on the up and up right now. So I'm still keeping on watch. Just crazy to watch this though. See how strong that 510 mark is though? Because when you was above it, I mean the bulls, man, you could have just kept riding that bad boy on up. But now you back under 510. Now that's back to resistance. And you back under the old high day too. You back under that 513. So that means them bears about to be moving back in. That's what that means. That means them bears is a coming. The Bears are coming. Man, I was rooting for them boys, man. I was rooting for them, too. I was rooting for them. Damn. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, like I said, they had that push. Them Bears, those Bulls had it. The Bulls had it. Bulls definitely had it. Be tear up. Bears about to try to take over now. Back underneath 510. Bears gonna try to take over and push it back down probably to that 509 mark. 50 probably here. Let me see. We had this resistance at here. What is this? 509 down to what? 509.50. You break 509.50, you go back down to this 509 mark. If they crack it, you know, if we do crack and pull back down, you got 509.50 back on down to this 509.06 to our old support level. If those bears start to move in and push. So I'm definitely keeping on watch, team. Definitely keeping on watch. It's like I said, it's not a major pullback. I mean, it's still holding. I mean, like I said, it hasn't cracked just yet. So I'm just keeping on watch to see if these, you know, where did you bounce, Ron? Because, I mean, your Bulls still have a fighting chance. Don't get me wrong. The Bulls still have a fighting chance. You're still above your 509 and your 508. It's just only when you crack these levels is where you're going to have a problem. Yep, so it's just up and down right now. Definitely up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. All right, here come your Bulls trying to push again. Let's see. Do we have enough buying momentum to push back on up? Because your sell-off, and the reason why I'm saying that, because your sell-off wasn't big. I mean, you did have this nice little candle, but then your bottoms here is like, it got small, and then your buyers moved right back in. So I'm just keeping on watch. Keeping on watch, team. Definitely keeping on watch. Let's see where we're going from here. Are your buyers trying to push? Where are you at? Let me see. All right. It's interesting to watch this, though. This is crazy. Yep, there you go, trying to push. Back on up. Let's see. Here go the buyers. Here we go. Let's see. Will they have the strength to catch it? Here will they have the strength. Let's keep it on watch. Because we're back underneath that 510. I'm just, like I said, I'm watching these levels carefully. All right, here we go pushing. Here go buyers. Catch that one. Too. So I'm just keeping on watching these key levels. Keep it on watch. What did it pull me down to? 120. Back at these key levels. Keep watching. I'm just watching. Slowly watching. $75. Where we at? It's interesting to watch this, man. I'm just, like I said, it's like right around this 510. They battling right around this 510 level. I'm just keeping on watch. Just watching this 510 level. It's just interesting to watch this. This crazy. 510. So 510. Let me see what these bulls gonna do. Are you gonna hold 510 and keep going? It look like they try to push back on up. What we got left? 3 minutes left. What I got left on here? 1,000 still. Yep, look at this. I told you, gonna try to hold, get back on top of that. All right, Bulls is moving back in. Bulls are moving back in. Buying still in. Buying still in. Gotta stay above 510 buys. Gotta stay above 510 buys. Close that candle out. Let's see, keeping on watching my up. What we got left? What we got left? What, 1 more minute for that candle? Buyers gotta hold. Buyers gotta hold. 510. 510. Still got a minute. Still got a minute. Still trying to push. Still trying to push. Let me check my what we got left? 10 seconds for this candle to close out. 45. All right, let's keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. See if those bulls gonna hold above this 510 level. Keep it on watch. We got, all right, here we go. Next candle should be coming up. Yeah, here we go. So it did hold above 510. Held above 510. Okay. Why does my chat keep disappearing, man? So I can see everybody talking. Man. All right, here we go. Another little bull flag setup, team. Another bull flag setup to that 511. 511. So buyers are holding. So you remember what I told you? So you remember you hold it. We could see 511. Bad boys pushing. Bad boys pushing. $5.11. Be on lookout. Here we go. 5.11. Bad flag still holding. Still holding. All right, where we at right now? 50 cents away from 511. Remember I told you we could see 512, team. 512. We could see 512. 512. Keep that in mind. 512. We could see 512. 50 cents away from 511. 50 cents away from 511, team. 50 cents away from 511. Got a new high day, 510.58. New high day, 510.58. We could break higher than that. Again, we could see possibly 511. 511. Keep that in mind. You're still good to go as far as calls. 511. 511 to be your next target. 511, team. 511. We break 511. We still got room to run to 512. So keep that in mind, team. Do keep that in mind. Everything's still running on the up and up. Where we at as far as, did we touch my levels? Oh yeah, we went past my levels. What was the area I was calling on SMCI? I was calling what, 950? Where we at? 915? Oh shit, we not too far from now. Not too far. Bear flag, still going up. Green. You can see the side, green. Remember that. Green goes on up. Did you ever work at an auction? No, I ain't never worked at no auction. That was a good one, though. Nah, Queen, I never worked at no auction. I mean, once you start to see these patterns, man, you just enjoy what you do, man. You just enjoy it. You definitely enjoy what you do, man. I love it. I love it. I love helping traders out. So right now we're at 10. Let's see, we're back underneath what? 510.50. So it's 510.50, 50 cents away from that 511 mark. And even though your high's 10.58, you gotta look at the half dollar mark, 10.50. You're back underneath 10.50. You have to cross that to get back up to 5. Cause them bears are trying to move in somewhere out there. But like I said, you got bulls setting up bull traps, but then you got bears to the top. So it's kind of like back and forth. So the bulls are trapping the bears. They're creating bear traps. They definitely creating bear traps. Because they'll create one right here, push back on up. They might create one right here, push back on up. So watch out for bear traps too. Watch out for bear traps. Because again, as long as you're holding these main key areas that push spot to go off with, you good. 509.06, 508.50. As long as you're holding these key areas and you're above the key areas, you possibly, like I said, the endless possibilities to move on up. Until you come back down to these key areas where you test. But again, we still going on the uptrend at this moment. Still trending on up. So 25, 25, 25. Do I hit 30? Oh, the girl, stop there, man. Quit. But yeah, I mean, like I said, and the reason why I do it too, because you can do that at home. You can do it at home as well, because it helps you out as a trader. Because if you start to see these numbers, you can kind of say it to yourself, or say it out loud, or just think in your head. Okay, we're at this certain area. Okay, we are holding above this area. We're holding above this area. We have room to fall back down to this area. You kind of talk to yourself, kind of coach yourself at the same time. Pretty much, it's like you're coaching yourself. That's all you're doing. You're coaching. Pretty much coaching. And then, like I said, it helps you, but all you're doing is looking at patterns. You're pretty much looking at patterns set up, and you know the momentum to go with. So right now, I mean, everything's telling you to go on the call side, because all you see is green. You see a uptrend. Everything is uptrending at this moment. So it's like no need to go, no need to start, jumping in too early as far as puts. Let it run on up. Let it keep pushing, because we're on a squeeze right now. And you already know on Fridays you normally get squeezes. So could we be setting up for another squeeze for a bear trap? We could. Oh, no problem at all, Queen. I mean, but like I said, that's how if you coach yourself, you get better and better and better at it, because you get to start to call out price actions. Again, support, resistance. You start to do certain things like that of that nature. So that's what I like about it, and I do that. I'll call out stuff to myself, but that's just to practice, just to stay on top of my game, to make sure I'm getting the right entries, the right, and so forth. But that's what I do. I just practice doing that. I mean, it helps out a lot too. It definitely helps you out a whole lot when you just kind of talk to yourself. I know it sounds crazy, but you kind of coach yourself, and you understanding areas of bad traps, understanding areas of support where you can come down and bounce. And I mean, you just start to pay attention to a lot of little keynotes, little keyframes and stuff. And it helps. It goes a long way on any stock, any ETF, anything. Because you can see right here, every time it come down, rip. Every time it come down, rip. You can see that back to back. Bad trap, rip. Bad trap, rip. And this keeps going up to higher and higher levels. So you can see that. It's playing off of that bad trap. Squeeze those bears, boom, squeezing. And again, y'all got to remember, Fridays is normally squeezes. Fridays are definitely normally squeeze days. Get those short squeezes. Like I said, right now, this is the first side of the mountain. You already know how we do. Green. And then once you hit certain key levels, then you come down, red. So right now, this is the build of your mountain going up. Green. So all you got to do is wait, especially for push, just wait on the reversal where you see green to red. That's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. To avoid, getting pain, taking pain, just ride it on up. As long as you're on that green side of the mountain, ride it on up until you see a sign of, confirmation of a reversal. Because look at this, pushing up to new highs. See, side of the mountain, green. Bad traps, pop on up. Bad traps, pop on up. I mean, that's pretty much it. That's how you have to look at it. Got my money for the day, going on my weekends. Have a great weekend. You too, boss. You too, AR Trades. You have a blessed one, man. I got about Cause like I said, I'm gonna stay to 12 o'clock. So right now it is what, 10:53. So about an hour to go with y'all guys. So we're gonna see how high this bad boy can go before we see a reversal and see a possible move back on down. Other than that, ride the momentum, ride that bad boy on up. That's all you can do right now. Ride the momentum, ride the momentum. Don't go against the grain. Ride the momentum. Squeeze after squeeze, bad trap after bad trap after bad trap, bull flag, bull flag. Pay attention to all the positives. Pay attention to all the positives. Look at your candles. Look at your volume. Green, 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 green. Calls, calls, calls. Ride your calls on up. Ride your calls on up. Next potential target is 511. Next potential target is 511. Could we get there? Possibly. As long as that momentum keeps going, we could see 511. Could we see 512? Possibly. And then we definitely can see that. It's not a doubt in my mind. We definitely can see 512. Still setting up, still setting up. But what time it is? It's going to be 11 o'clock. I don't think we had no other news coming out after 11. I think that was it. But yeah, ride that momentum. Keep pushing. Keep riding on up, riding on up, riding on up. Bull flag. Push. He's 511, not too far from that. You're only 40 cents away from 511. Could you go to 512? I told you we can ride it on up to this line here. We can possibly ride all the way up on here. So ride the momentum. Keep riding that wave. Ride the wave. Ride the wave. That's all you can do. All right, let me see. Do I have some cheap? I say cheap. Cheap contracts. Man, I got some good volume in it as far as calls. Let me see. It's riding up nicely too. What was these bottoms at? $2 and ran up. I mean, like I said, it's running. Bad boy's definitely running. Still pushing. Look at that. Still pushing. Still pushing. Still getting that squeeze. Still squeezing. Still squeezing. Keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. Bad boy still squeezing. Still squeezing. Not too far from 511. I told y'all, we're not too far. You could see that hit up here. We could go all the way up to 512. Just keep that in mind. If you're on the call, we can ride it up to 512. Still pushing. Bad flag pushing. Look at that. Bad flag pushing. Still going. That's crazy. That bad boy is a pushing team. I mean, just a soaring right now. Just still going. Still going. 511. I told y'all. Who's still in on the call? Who's still in on the call? Team, who on the call right now? Who's still riding that call? Who riding that call on up? Who riding that call on up? 508.50. I told you it was going to be the push. Still pushing. 511. Possibly see 512. Get a little pullback. Another bad trap for another push back on up. Just keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. Momentum has it. Momentum has it. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. They're going to probably be setting themselves up for another bad trap for another push. Just keep watching. Stay on watch. Stay on watch. Stay on watch. Got my money for the day. Say he gonna enjoy the weekend. Shout out to all of y'all. Congratulations to the team. Money making team. You know how we do. Shout out to y'all, man. So do expect another bad trap because the way the momentum is going, another bad trap probably will ensue. Another bad trap will be setting up. So do get ready for another possible bad trap, a little pullback. Set up those bears, get them trapped up for another pop back on up to the 511. And again, as long as that momentum keeps going, we could see 512. So keep that in mind. We could see 512, team. Wait on that pullback. Wait on that pullback. Trap those bears. Again, go for the next setup. You already got one here. Boom. Setup. Got one here. Boom. Setup. Wait for the next pullback. Set them bears up. Boom. Setup. Because as you can see, now you're above 510. That can hold up as a bear trap. Strong demand as long as you're above 510. Now that it's support, come back on down. Again, that could be another bear trap for a nice push right back on up. Keep that in mind, team. Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. Stop it. I'm watching my soul calls from I had 11. Oh, yo, you got out early. He's like, took some calls. Shout out to Marty. Shout out to Gert. Hey, you still made profit. That's all that matter, Gert. You still made profit, boss. Hey, take it while you can, boss. Take it while you can. Take that money, man. Some money making opportunities on Fridays. You know Fridays is a little tricky. So, hey, take profits when you got it, boss. Don't complain about it. Just take it. That's all I'm going to say. Don't complain. Take it. Take it. But shout out to y'all, though, man. Shout out to the team. Keep killing it. Keep killing it. Definitely keep killing it. Where we at? Where we at? Just watching mine. Get a little pullback. Everything's still holding on this contract, too. Where is this at? 2? Where the pullback at? I only made hey, that's only $100 you didn't have in your pockets before. Think about that. You got to think about it in that nature, boss. That's only $100 you didn't have in your pockets. So you got to be grateful for that. What I told you, I always got to put grateful over greed. What I told you about that. Grateful over greed, boss. Hey, take it while you got the opportunity. That's all I can say. Take it. Take it. If you got the opportunity to make it, take it. Don't never put greed over grateful. Because the Lord give it and the Lord will take it away. He say pay for monthly subscriptions for some positivity. Thanks, guys. Shout out to you, Gert. Shout out, Gert. So we all setting ourselves up for a possible pushback on up. Trapping these bears again. They look like, let's see. Because it kind of look like a little doji. Let me see if they can, yeah, okay, we still looking good. I was about to say, because it look doji-ish. Doji-ish. So, but yeah, still holding. Okay. Where we at right now? What we testing? 10. All right, 1066. Still can push. It's still trying. Yep, still pushing. We haven't got a pullback yet, as far as a bear trap, it's just steady going. So we haven't got a pullback like a bear trap setup yet. Kind of like here and here. Still kind of just going up, still moving on up, but it's getting a little weak. Because your candles are starting to get a little smaller. So I want to see if that buying pressure is still there. So that's what I'm saying. They're going to probably need that pullback. All right, now it's still pushing. Okay. Let's see. How much buying is how much do we have left in the tank? Oh, I know what I should have did. Hold on, I gotta go to my account real quick. I know what I need to do. Hold up, I need to do something real quick. I need to do a shoot. While this is taking place, let me switch my account. I mean my whatchamacallit real fast. Transfer. How much can I transfer? 1,300 out of this bad boy and go to. I think I got 3 day trades left in. Which one was this? The last one? I think I got enough day trades in my other one too while it's taking place. Can I transfer this out? Let me see. Real quick. I want to make sure I have some on both sides of the fence to get a good trade. Go from here, transfer it back to my other account. Let's see. Keep that on watch. Can I trade it out? Will it let me transfer? Yes! Cool. Alright, that's all I needed to do. Now I can use my other account too. I can play with both. Boom! I got 3. Oh, damn it. I was trying to get on that. I was trying to get on the pop. As soon as I tried to switch it over, it started moving. Crap, man. I was trying to get in before the pop. Try to wait for another bad trap setup. Let me see. Try to go in. Like I said, as long as that trend line still hold, I'm going to try to go in for another one. I just don't want to get on these highs. I just want to get these little pullback setups for pushback on up. Pullback setups. Boom. Right now, just steady going up. Still no pullback yet. 511, y'all. Told you, 511. We might hit 511 and then get a pullback. Where we at? 510.97. So we haven't hit 510.11. We hit 597. Might get a pullback. Let's see. I know it's around that area, so let's see. I'm gonna keep it on watch to see if we get a pullback first. because I don't like jumping in on, buying to the tops. I don't like that. Definitely don't like that. So keep it on watch, team. Keep it on watch. We still pushing. We could see 511. That could be the next high day. 511 could definitely be the next high. Let's see. Can we get it? Where we at? Are we about to hit a new high? Gotta break that 510.97. We'll see a new high. Can those bulls come in and push? Can they push? Do we see 511? Do we? Yep. Little pullback. Nothing heavy. All right, we got left on this candle though. 1 minute left. So I want to see if they try to do another pullback and trap the bears, do another bear trap, and then boom, push back on up. I don't mind catching the candles. I just don't want to get caught. I don't want to buy these highs. 98. We almost done. Yep, 99. Oh, will we see 511? 511. Boom, 511. I told y'all. Who ain't on the call still? I told y'all 511 team. 511. I told you. 511 team.
Jeremy Hofstetter says, Jay, your stream on Tradecaster went down.
Oh, crap. Did I close it? Junk. I think I closed my, Hold up, team. I'm sorry. I think I accidentally closed it. I think by mistake. I do apologize. I'm back. I'm sorry. I apologize. I think I accidentally closed it by accident. I do apologize. I was wondering why my viewers were going low. I'm like, why the hell is my viewers going down? I'm back. I apologize, team. I didn't realize I closed it. I'm sorry. I do apologize. Forgive me. I closed the wrong window. I apologize. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. Get this little pullback. I mean, it looks like that bad boy don't even want to pull back hard. I just want to keep ripping. I want to just keep going. Let's see. If we do get a pullback, I mean, because we're already above high levels. I mean, we're already above 510. So it's like, man, what levels can we actually pull back to? Be back around 510.50. You got to be around, about 510.50. I can see that pullback if we do get it. But the momentum is so strong right now, we may not even get a pullback down that far. We may not get it. I'm just saying. Because that pullback, I mean, that, like I said, it's strong right now. Because you're only $1 away from 512. So I told you we may hit 512. I mean, that momentum is going. Look at that. I mean, them pullbacks, it's going to be a little tough now on them pullbacks. Still going. That bad boy is still ripping. I told you, 511 to 512. And that's what I said on my whatchamacallit? What did I say? Where's my let me go back. Where's my calendar? I mean, not my calendar, shoot, let me see. Let me go back. Where's my chart? I mean, my chalkboard. There we go. What did I say? Next possible intended target, 512. Did I not say that this morning? Did I not? I told you. Look, bad boy is just beast mode right now. Beastie boy mode. I told you we might see 512. I told you. We could definitely see 512 in our... Wait, where's my... Oh, I was wondering. Hold up. Back up. Let me see. I just don't want to jump in on these highs, man. It's like, man, can we get a nice little, little pullback, and then high back in, try to catch these pullbacks. I'm just not trying to overdo it, So I'm just trying to, man, we're just steady in beast mode right now, trying to run up to 512. I mean, it's definitely in beast mode. Yeah, it might go higher than that. I mean, I think 512 though for sure. Like I said, I think we got room to run up to this area right here, boss. But I mean, I'm just, man, pullbacks is just. We ain't getting no pullbacks. it's just going on beast mode right now. Can't even get in no pullbacks. It's crazy. Trend day sync if you're not in. Yeah, I mean, like I told you, 512 is coming. Yeah, 512 is definitely coming. I definitely see that. I told y'all, just ride that momentum. I mean, golly, that bad boy ripping. Ooh. Man, it's not playing. All right, get in on these. Back at 5. If we get a little pullback, I'll take that. Man, that bad boy just don't want to pull back for nothing in the world. I mean, it's just a little tough, man. It's a little tough. It's like, man, it's like that bad boy do not want to give in for nothing. Just like aggressive. It's definitely aggressive right there. I mean, God, dog. Look at that, just that small red counter. After that, just woof. It's like it's just no turning back now. I mean, you got that run all the way up to this bad boy. That's 512. I told y'all, 512. I told you, 512 is not playing right now. Let me see. Here comes the 512. Yep. Yo, he said 512.50. I said 512. Okay. Sean said 512. I said 512.50. See, I was off by 50 cents. Okay, I'll take that. 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 I just need these little, I just need these little pullbacks, Just give me a nice little pullback and run that bad boy on up. Because again, I just don't want to get in these little low areas like this. I don't like buying high. I got to get in areas I can just jump in at, Like I said, them pullbacks just not happening. Still ripping. Look at this. God. Every time I look like I want to have a pullback, it just, nope. it just keep going. It just like endless, man. This is crazy. He said Nvidia shooting up too. I mean, it's just no red candle in sight. It just, that bad boy just on beast mode. It just like will not stop. It's like a Terminator just on kill mode right now. It's just not stopping. It's like, man, look at this. You ain't far from that 512. I was just waiting on like something like a little minor pullback or just something, get in at a little low area. Again, I just didn't want to buy in those high areas, but man, I ain't seen no red candle ever since this blast off. I mean, the last one we had was way down here. It's like, man, give us a little pullbackage or something, just a little something. I just don't want to buy in highs. I just want a nice little, another little bear trap set up where you can set the bears up and then boom, go on a run. But just still waiting. Just kind of sit on my hands like, man, will you give me a little entry in something? That bad boy just blasted from this point. Yeah, I mean, that bad boy's not looking back. I mean, it just took off. Like, point of no return. That bad boy said nope. So right here, I mean, we're getting a little minor pullback. I mean, I'm trying to see how much of a pullback we're going to get because we got so much volatility on the bull side. It's like, man, just no red candle in sight right there. Which is a good thing. I mean, it's not bad. That's still good. You got your, that's still a good thing. I just wanted a nice pullback into some decent areas. Okay, now we pulling back. It's like, good God. I just wasn't getting nothing. I just wasn't getting no love on these pullbacks. It's like, man, I just want to see because, I mean, the area I was aiming for really was 510.50. Where we at right now? 510.99. I was aiming for like 510.50 is y'all. So what was this? 510? Might not even go back down that low, man. Go down right. Where we at? 510 where? See, we're not even getting a strong pullback in that area I want. Where we at? 510.90. See, come on. Give me a little pullback, nice little pullback. Then I can get myself in. I just need a nice little pullback. All right, here we go. Now we're getting some little decent pullback. Because I just wasn't chasing, man. I didn't feel comfortable. I didn't feel comfortable with the chase. I just couldn't do it. Like, how much can we pull back now? That's the question. Because we at these high levels. That's the only thing that's tricky now. It's going to be a little tricky. Like, I want to get in low. Like, how much? Let me see. What is this? 260 on my contract? Man, I might miss it, but all right, see how much lower can we go? How much lower can we go? I see 260 on my chart right here. All right, here we go. Still getting a nice little decent pullback. Can I get that area I want on this pullback? Let me see. Can we get a nice pullback down? Get a pullback. I don't think it's gonna give me what I want. Oh, what the hell just happened? It didn't even take my freaking order. Oh, let me see. So I closed that one. Wait, oh, that's why. I had to set for the wrong account. Oh, shit. Let me shoot. Oh, man. All right, we're getting a pullback. Okay, we're getting a pullback. I want to see these bad traps. I want to see these setups.
Goro Gang Raid says. Spy 497 long printing.
You was in at 97? Oh, so you been in. Still good. All right, here we go. Let me see how further can we go down. Because I still think we got room to run. What time it is? 11:15? Still got room to run back on up. I just want to see these. I want to see those buys move back in, catch these bears again. See we start to go back on this run. Because I definitely want to get caught in that type of trap. I don't want to get caught in them bad boys. I want to make sure we go on a... Man, shout out to that. I'm still shocked on that donation, though, man. Shout out to that. Man, $100 donation. Jesus. Dude, that was insane. And that was Nuno, man. Shout out to Nuno, bro. Nuno is just a... Again, thank you so much, boss, man. Words can't even explain. I mean, it just can't even... The things y'all do for me, man. Y'all see? There go the move. Here we go. All right, let's see. All right, let's keep it on watch. I'm keeping on watch. I still think we got room to run up to that 512. I still think we got room to run up to that, man. 512. We still got room to run up. So I'm just watching this, just seeing. We definitely got room to still run to 512. So that's still in the bag. All right, team. Like I said, 12 o'clock, I'm going to be rolling, man. So, because I'm just going to enjoy my, my weekly gains and excitement. Probably go eat some more crawfish. Go tear it up. Go tear it up. But, yeah, man. But, again, let me see. And then Nuno. So, Nuno at 2. So, you donated 100. So, you at 259. Oh, let me update this while I have you on here, boss. Why this is setting up. So I still think we're going to get a nice little pullback. Probably get another little trap. Let me set Nuno up. The weather is cool right now, Marty. It's like, man, we came into a lot of like a little cold front, which came out of nowhere, man. That's why I was sleeping a lot, man. Once it start getting cold, I don't never want to get out of bed, man. It be feeling so good, man. You just want to relax there and just chill. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't really want to get out of bed. But, yeah, that's how I was feeling, man. I did not want to get out of bed, boss, for nothing. And let me go ahead and hook Nuno up, man. Nuno done hook me up. So he at 250 right now. That is insane. Gifting, he's at $20 in gift. 20 gifts, I'm sorry. All right, Nuno, I got you. So I'm about to hook you up, boss, on the leaderboard. I already got it set up. Come on, come on. So you should be updating in about. Oh, no wonder why I haven't shown nothing. I was about to say, why is it not showing nothing? Oh, here we go. There we go. In about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shout out to you, Nuno. Thank you for the big donation, man. Now we on up to, man, he's up to 259. Oh, Nuno is up to 259, baby. God, Nuno ain't playing. Nuno say, yeah, I'm about that life. I'm about that life. Yeah, shout out to Nuno, man, for the donation. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, that was the biggest donation I think. No, yeah, it was. Cause I think Alex, no, I think now we both had 100. Cause I think Alex had sent 10 and then 90. That was 100. So him, yeah, Nuno and Alex are the main two. Nuno and Alex are the main ones to send out a high donation. That's crazy. That's insane. Got $100 donation. Insane. Man, I still gotta learn how my like I said, with being a part of the partnership program, I still gotta understand how the super chats and all that works. Matter of fact, I don't. Let me see if I see any difference now on my YouTube. Do I see any like buttons or anything that says Let me see. Oh yeah, SPY is strong. I mean, of course, with Friday being your last trading day of the week, you already know how SPY does. Go on those squeezes. You know how we do. Go on them nice squeeze patterns. You know we definitely do that. So if I can get a pushback on down, I'm trying to get in, and I don't think I'm gonna get a push down. I might just jump in and go with the momentum. I ain't gonna lie to you, cause let me see. Let's go pull back. Can I get some? What you trying to get in, Cisco? You trying to get on the call? On a pullback call? Yeah, your pullback was down here. So you should have got in on that bad trap. Because I told you, bad trap, pop on up. Bad trap, pop on up. See the patterns? Bad traps pop on up, bad traps pop on up, bad traps pop on up. So right here was a bad trap, pop on up. See, get in at those low. As soon as you see them red candles, jump in immediately because the momentum is pushing. Because you definitely don't want to miss the bus. Yeah, pullbacks, bad traps is your best way to go, boss. Pull back bad traps, best way to go. Pull back bad trap, pop. Pull back bad trap, pop. Pull back, bad trap, pop. See what I mean? Them bad traps, you keep trapping them, keep trapping them. Trap those busybodies. I mean, could we see 512? Oh yeah, I think we can. I strongly believe we can see 512. I do agree 125%. We can definitely see a oh shoot, I went to the wrong. Man, I always keep going to my puts instead of my calls. I always do that. That's how I mess myself up all the time. Let's see. Get a little pulley. Let's see. Little pullback. Let me see what we can fall back down to. Yeah, damn it. I was going to try to jump in this low. Might just have to just jump in, man. I ain't going to lie to you. Because, no, it's pulling back. Because I don't want to chase. Like I said, I don't feel like I'm hitting them tops, man. Cause I'm trying to add more and more, but I want to catch every little pullback in sight, to keep my average going. But I'm like, all right, getting a little pullback. All right, now we're starting to get like a little channel looking like. So let's see. If this level can hold, let's do this. This is what we're going to do. So let's do this real quick. Let's just play the game right here. So right now it's going sideways. As long as this area holds, it's around 510.80. It's going to be a little sideways for another move. So right now, we're going to just look at it like that. Because you bounce. So it's kind of a little channel. Just keep that on watch. What time it is? 23. Oh yeah, I got 7 minutes with y'all anyway, team. Not 7 minutes. I said 12. So 30 minutes. I'm sorry. About 30 minutes. It's 11:20. 30. Isn't a high. Nah, I don't think so either. I don't think 5, 11, 38 gonna be is the high day number. Nah, I don't think so either, Marty. I do strongly believe, yeah, we're gonna go higher than that. It's an off number. And you know how SPY is. Come on now. That's an off number. It's like, nah, I don't believe that either. I don't believe that's gonna be it. Nah. I don't believe that 11:30. I mean, yeah, we're gonna get these little pullbacks, but I still strongly believe that yeah, I still think we're gonna see higher. I still think that. I still believe that we're gonna see 512 soon. Yeah, I do. You too, Hardy girl. Oh, I was looking at some lobbies and some lounge. I forgot to share y'all that. Before y'all go, let me see if I can. I think I bookmarked it real quick. Let me see. So I can get y'all approval to see if y'all like that, and whatever y'all like, I'll go with it. So let me go to bookmark manager real quick. In 30 minutes, boss, because Fridays I don't normally stay that long because the liquidity dies, and that just kind of gets me away from trying to trade even after hours. I mean, not after hours, but you know what I mean. New window. Oops. See, I had this one. This was one. This was another one. And I was, like I said, I'm still game planning on which one I want to like go with. So I had that one. I was trying to figure out. Like I said, I had someone like a little futuristic type. I had that one, and I had this one. So I'm still figuring it out which one I want to truly go with. So I'm working on it. You say you like night number. Wait, which one was number 2? Let me hold up. Let me figure out which one was number 2 again. This one, Queen. Talking about this, the white one. The other one. Okay, cool. Yeah, it does look nice. Looks elegant. I like that. You know, look a little. So this one looking like a little. Yeah. Yeah, I liked that one too. That's why I picked it. So all I got, she said, yeah, that one. All right, cool. So 2 people approved. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna do some editing. You know, I'm gonna do some little editing, and you know, so we're gonna make it happen. I got y'all. Just wanted to get y'all approval. I was shopping around. You know, I wanted to make sure that was to y'all liking, because again, it's not just about me. It's about y'all. So we'll see. Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, let me see if my super chats and stuff on there. I mean, it's about y'all. So. Oh. We'll see. Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, let me shut that off. I don't see no. Where's the super chat at though? Oh, I see it. I do see it. I got the little dollar sign on there now. Yeah, I do have it. Yep. So yeah. So right now I got the little dollar sign and everything. I got the little super chats and everything. Yeah. We good to go. Team. Yeah, buddy. So I'm talking about. He said, "Isn't that one AK's 47 shit? I'll be doing a house party at AK-47 house so quick. If it was his house, we'd be kidding playing it up. I promise you that, bad boy. Jerry Hoff, I promise you that. We be doing kid playing there. Me and AK all the way. That's how we roll." But yeah, shout out to AK, man. I thank them so much for being my leaders, man. I mean, like guide me in the right direction, man, when it came down to when it came down to, stock trading. And because, I mean, I started off a little rough. They helped me out. I thank God for them, too, for AK-47, for Active Trader, for Deck, for all. I mean, even y'all, man. I mean, I thank God for y'all, too, because y'all helped me get back to where I am, man, because I was a little hard-headed somebody. So I see some upper shadows, but I want to see if that momentum is still there, because I don't see no clear signs of a reversal just yet. I mean, extensions, yeah, but like I don't see no 50 crossovers, because the 50 is still moving on up. Because normally when you get a major cross or a major drop, that 50 moves on up at the top and it becomes like a ceiling. So that's still down here. So that's why I'm like, we haven't got it yet as far as that move. So I still think it's a few more left in the tank for that push. I do believe we still got something left in that tank. Oh yeah, because then your second candle come in at 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock, once this candle closes, the other one's probably going to finish and push on up. So we could be seeing it. Because what time it is right now? 11:28. So, I mean, we can still be seeing it. Oh, no problem, Mort. man, thank y'all, man. Thank you so much too, man. Blessed to be around y'all, man. Man, like I said, even my Tradecaster family, my YouTube family, man. I'm truly grateful for all of y'all subscribers, my viewers who have faith in me, who support me, and I try to put money in y'all pockets, and we rocking and rolling. Cause I know a lot of y'all hit big after I called out that 508.50 for that run. I know y'all killed it. Cause I know y'all hit that mark. Man, I told y'all as long as that 508.50 hit, boom! You was gonna see that bad boy. I told you. I told you. So right now we're just gonna kind of be in a little channel light state until because right now it looks like I want to go sideways after this little run. Like it's going sideways. It's kind of ping pong in this little area right now. So underneath the 511 to the back to that basically back to the old high day, pretty much. That was the all the way down to 5, 10, 13. So you still have a little bounce area. Because now the old high day can be support. So we do move back on down. You could see a possible bounce for a move back on up. So do expect that. Because, like I said, I don't think we'll have a drop just yet. Because everything is really not setting up for the drop. I mean, yeah, we're going to have a nice pullback. But I'm talking about a complete, like, disastrous drop. So I don't think that's in just yet. Not yet. Will we have a good pullback? Oh, yeah. I mean, I can see a pullback down to that 5, 10, 13. Like I said, if your buyers can hold that key level, we can come back on down for a move back on up. I can see that possibly happening, team. I can definitely see that. Yeah, I mean, like I said, yeah, we got some upper shadows, but I think those buys are sitting right here. If those buys, like I said, we do pull back down, I think they will be trying to come in right here in this level. Or we may not. We may start pushing. Because the way this momentum is, man, it's crazy. It's like, man, it's like it looked like it want to fall. It's like, damn, look like it want to spike. It's like, man, it just it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's why you don't ever want to get in at these tops. You want to get in at these bottoms. Because, man, to avoid all that chaos and choppiness and noise, y'all, so what you want to do is the best thing to do is get the bottoms so you can avoid all of this chaos. Because if you at the bottom right here, you in peace, you in quiet, you safe, and then you can just let the noise deal with itself with all the new people trying to get in. But yeah, just but yeah, just be careful on that. Just definitely be careful. But yeah, shout out to all the donators. Shout out to my subscribers. Shout out to my followers. Shout out to my believers, my supporters, my family. Love all y'all to death. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. 15 minutes show a huge bowl from the 23rd. You say 23rd, boss? What today is? First, all the way from the 20 on a what candle? 15 minute. I said we was in the U shape. I've been said that. I called out. You talking about that U shape? I called out earlier. Yeah, I've been said that. Yeah, see. Yeah, you talking about this? Yeah, I called it out. That's when we broke out. Yeah, see, we broke out of that U shape already. See that? I already called that. Boom, and you broke out. So you can be doing this and then back on down. So that could happen. Boom, boom, because you're on top. So just watching the setup. So yeah, I called it. Yeah, I mean, spot on though. I mean, great minds think alike. I mean, but I called out the U shape too. I called it. I seen that setting up. So again, we do get a pullback. I mean, expect it to come down. Like as long as you're above 510, you can expect support for buyers to possibly boom in and then go back on up. So right now we're just holding. Nothing major is happening. No dramatic movement yet. So just keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Oh, there we go. Why every time I open my mouth? It's just the minute I say something, it's like the market like, oh, okay. Like, god dang, every time I say something. Hey, can we take a look at BA? BA. Let's take a look, boss. BA. What are we looking like on the charts here? We are on a downtrend that I can see. You can clearly see that downtrend. Boom, boom, boom on the daily. And look at it on the 5-year chart. What do we look like on now? Same thing. Look like a downtrend still. I mean, you get this nice red to green, red, and then you're going to look like you're about to find some support right around that 200 mark. You can see every time you hit that 200, you bounce. Then you go back on up. So around 200 D-money. So 200. But then don't forget you got them. You got those indicators above your head around 2. What is that? Where's the indicators at? 213. They both around 213. Both indicators. So from 200 to 213, you can definitely have some movements. Kind of like in this channel. See, I got this little channel set up. It's kind of like that. So as long as you hold these bottoms, that's going to be your support, 200. And you'll have these tops right around where that indicator is at. And that is around, yep, around 213, 214. Right here where you kind of zigzag, right in this key area. Like in a channel. Look. So if you, okay. So if we just take this dotted line, not the vertical, the horizontal line, this horizontal line to this horizontal line, you kind of see a channel within itself. You see that? It's like a horizontal channel. So you can see that anytime you between this little area, hold above 200, you kind of. So right now, it just seems like the 200 is your support, but the only thing that's going to hold you back is that those indicators at 213. So you kind of can match them up with right here where you get rejected at here. See? Kind of go across the board in a sense. So yeah, from here to here. So about $13 move on up. And the only thing that's basically holding you up, well, on the weekly is the 200. You bounced up to 200, and the 200 is lining up with 200. That's crazy. 200. Crazy. Yeah, so your support is holding up right. You got some good support, but you also got some resistance. So you're kind of in between both, like these indicators, between the 13, 50, and the 200. So you're kind of right in between this bad boy of 200 itself to this 213. So you're kind of right in between these bad boys. Will BA be a buy since is what's going on with BA? Because I mean, any news on it? I know there's dealing with like aircrafts, airplanes, because my mom used to work for Boeing. But let's see another way how we can look at this. Like any news, in order, to a reason to jump in it, like that's what I'm asking. So, so you gotta definitely get back above these key levels. Come on to the 6-month charts. I mean, you got some good support. I mean, you stay, because anytime you're underneath 200, you get rejected. Anytime you're above 200, you move back on up. So, and then even on the monthly, you still underneath the 50. No, I'm sorry, the 13. And what are these here on the 6-month? 214. Damn, so it's still almost around the same price. Whether it's on a 5-year chart or the 6-month, it's like that top area is still around the same area. Still around 213, 214. So we know for sure, okay, for right now, we know for sure 200 is definitely support. But whether you look at it on a yearly chart, like as far as your weekly or the monthly chart, any indicators are still sitting around 213, 214. So basically, you might as well just put a line up here to say this is where you draw the line at. Because every time you hit this level, you get rejected. Every time you hit this level, you get rejected. So you might as well just put a line across this mark right here, where it's kind of giving you it's giving you a heads up right where that 200 is at, because the 200 on the 6-month is right there. So let's put that here. Boom, boom, boom. See that? You hit, you fall, you hit, you fall. Stay on top of 200, you move back on up. So you got from 200 to that 213, 214 mark. So kind of like in that little channel. So let me make another one, duplicate that one, and go to green. And that'll be support at 200 itself. Oh, oops. Go to 200, boom, boom, boom. There it is. See the channel? See your channel play? Because you got a gap fill too if you do bounce back on to clear this. That's around 211. Like I said, you got room to run back on up towards the 213, 214 level. I mean, you can clearly see it right across the board. You hit, you fall, you hit, you fall, you hit, you fall between the 213, 214 level. Especially if you hold, like I said, then the main thing is get back above that 13 EMA on the monthly chart, and that is, 203? I'm sorry. What is it? It is 203. So right now you're at 201, 200. So the goal is to get on top of that 13, so therefore that'll keep you and hold you up as support. So yeah, right now just kind of sideways. I don't see nothing major happening on it. Where is it at right now? Oh, it's in the negatives too. Yeah, I say wait. Put it like this: D Money and Jerhoff. I say wait for a clear signal. I mean, just wait on up. Just wait, for a build on up. Because right now, I mean, it's down. It is showing weakness. I just say wait until your buyers start to move in and you get alerts on it to give you signs that it's going back on up. Because I wouldn't want y'all to jump in right now and it fails and it actually goes down. If I was y'all, I would just wait on signals, to let you know that buyers are moving back in to go back on up. But right now, I mean, everything's just looking weak. Everything's pointing down. I mean, even your indicators pointing down. I mean, it just look downtrendish. I mean, even by the candles right now, just looks weak. I mean, I say wait. Give it some time to break back above certain key levels. Where's that key level at right here? Because I can see right here you got rejected too. That's at 506. Around this little area here, we got this candle. It's about right here. 506.40-ish. Yeah, see right here we get rejected. Anytime you're underneath that, you get rejected. And anytime you're on top, you bounce. So 506 is going to be another challenge. See, basically what I'm saying is you have a lot of overhead resistance. Yeah, you still have a lot of overhead resistance. So don't jump in right now because you might be holding, and you might just be wasting your time. I would say wait until you get clear signs and clear confirmation above the 13 EMA, above 206. You know, basically going back on up, and when you're going more of on an uptrend instead of a downtrend. Because, I mean, even if you do this, I mean, D-Money, I mean, it just still look like a downtrend. So if you take this, look at this. I mean, it still look like a downtrend setup. See it? And Jerhoff, y'all see that? Rejected, come on down. Rejected, this still looks downtrend. It does look like you're in a descending squeeze right now. If we do get weak and fall underneath 200, you could drop, like, definitely just, wait. I say wait. Don't jump in. Don't jump the gun, boss. None of y'all. Because it just seemed like right here, you right at a descending setup. And again, you do get weak and fall under 200. You could possibly still move back on down. So, but I'm saying is, let me switch my pen. If the bias can move in, wait for the move back on up. Wait for a clear sign right now. Where your bias can step in and break that downtrend and actually start moving back this way. But right now, I mean, everything is pointing this way. So that's why I say be careful and wait for those signs, boss. Just take your time. Don't rush anything. Yeah, definitely take your time and just wait it out. Yeah, just wait. Plus, I wouldn't want you to be sitting there, and wasting time. Definitely I wouldn't want you doing that. When it come, oh, damn it. Could have jumped in. I started talking about Bourne. I could have jumped in on the damn play. God dog, y'all. Shoot. Man. Thanks, D-Money, and thanks, Jerho. Thank you. I could have got in on this bounce. Y'all messed me up. Y'all just messed me up. Oh, man. Oh. I was waiting on that. Y'all messed me up. Y'all messed me up. And I said 510 was going to be your bounce, and I missed it. They messed me up. Y'all got me. Y'all got me. Oh, y'all got me. Oh, y'all got me. Oh, you sons of bastards. You sons of bastards. I'm going to kill y'all. 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 Nah, hey, it's all good. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, Dad, it's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. I was just kidding. D-Money, I was just kidding. Hey, you understand, I can get in anytime. Hey, it was a joke. It was a joke. Yeah, I was just messing with you. Yeah, man, cause I know. I mean, cause you understand, man, the way I trade, I know how to get into, if I do miss something like this, the target is still all the way to 512. We still ain't nowhere near 512, so I can always still get in. I mean, everything still seems to be on the up and up. I mean, all they did was just show me that bulls are still in control, that buyers are still in control, so I can still get in for move on up because we didn't drop off. So now I can still just jump in and just ride the momentum. So, but I still could have got in at those bottoms, though. I could have got in with 1,000 shares, too. To be in and out of that play, too. That hurt. That hurt. It's all good. It's all good. But I mean, again, I'm here to help y'all too, man. So it's not just about me, it's about y'all. Because I want to make sure that you and anybody else can jump into a dry trade. So all I got to do is, like I said, something like this, just wait for the next setup. Because, again, we ain't at 512 yet. All I got to do is just wait for the next setup, make sure my contracts are good to go. Boom, boom, boom. Go from there. It's all good in the woods, baby. It's all good in the woods. So all I did, again, just gave me a clear sign that buys in control. Boom, we're back on top. Now I can just use this back for another setup. So it's all good. It's all good. Because we didn't get a dump off, but I did tell y'all that to get in on the I did tell y'all to get in on the call though. I did tell you that was gonna be support. Who got in on it? I did alert that, even though I didn't because I was trying to help other traders. I did alert that though, so y'all can't say I didn't. Who got in on it? That's the question. Who got in on it? Who got in on it? I bet y'all didn't. I bet y'all still hesitated. I bet y'all still hesitated and didn't jump in. I'm about to though. I'm gonna just hurry and just go for it, man. I mean, look, I ain't gonna keep missing these plays. I'm just gonna just ride it out. Look, I'm gonna just take the. If I just gotta take the bull by the horns, I'm gonna just have to take the damn bull by the horns. I'm gonna just go in bit by bit, go in slowly. I'm gonna just have to do what it do. I'm going in. Just gonna let you know. Wrong contract. Son of a. I mean, not contract, wrong account. I want to bring to everyone's attention that SPY is now up $100 from 408. Yeah, I mean that's kind of like that. Hey, D Money, that's kind of like that move. You remember when we dropped? Remember in 2022. Remember when we had that downside? We had 100. Yeah, it was about $120 drop. You remember because we fell from 480 down to 360. So that was like $120 from 2022, and then in 2023 we found support at 360 to move back up to 480 now. So that was kind of like a $120 drop down and $120 drop move back on up. Yeah, so if you, like I said, Daddy, D Money, if you go back and look at your old charts, go look at 2022 at that downtrend, and you can see it. That was like $120 down, and then from 2023 to 2024, it's like $120 back on up. So you could definitely see that. Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, it was 100 down, 100 up. It's just that bad boy just rocking and rolling. God, but D Money, I'm gonna hurt you though for making me miss that bounce. I'm definitely gonna hurt you though. I'm gonna get your ass. I was waiting on it, and I missed that drop. And it so happened to sneak past my ass as soon as I started talking. As soon as I took my eyes off of SPY to go talk to talk about another chart, it's like it knew what I was doing. It's like SPY waited on me to get my eyes off of that chart so it can sneak past my ass and then run. I was like, you mother, you dirty son of a. Like it did it on purpose. Because any other time, I didn't see no drop. I was watching SPY the whole time. I didn't see no drop. But the minute I get off of the chart to look at another stock, then they want to sneak past a little drop on my ass when I ain't looking. So I will miss the entry. It's like, okay, I see what you doing. Because you noticed that, D Money, you noticed that? When we were always watching SPY. Nothing happened. But the minute I brought up BA, that drop came out of nowhere. You noticed that? Like it did like a little sneaky move. It's like, oh, okay. I see what y'all doing. I see what time it is. You want to wait till I take my eyes off the chart so I won't get in. I'm like, okay. Y'all want to play those games. Dirty. It's like, all right, okay. Y'all want to wait till I take my eyes off, go on this little drop, and then move back on up. I'm like, okay. Okay. They was watching me, D. Yeah, they was watching me because nothing happened at all. I was trying to get in, boss, but the minute I took my eyes off a SPY to get in on his entry, it shot up. The minute I took my eyes off of it, I was waiting on this pullback. The minute I took my eyes off of SPY to help somebody else, it dropped right where I wanted it to and shot right back up. Look where my line at. Perfect. The minute I took my eyes off of SPY, it's like, oh, you dirty mother. I say, oh, you dirty. You dirty. I was trying to go in for an entry, and that entry was low. I could have got in with 1,000 shares, and I think the lowest was 45 too. What was the low on this one? And this one was 85. I still could have got in with 1,000 shares, and then just run. And it's back up to 185. I could have made over $1,000 just now over just that drop. That's cool. Okay. But I was helping somebody else. I mean, that's why. I mean, I had an excuse. I mean, I had witnesses. D Money Daddy was my witness. But shit, I could have got in and got out before 12 o'clock. That's why I was waiting the whole time. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, I still think we're gonna run up to 12:05. So that's why I'm trying to get in. But I'm just waiting on another red candle because I don't like getting on green candles on a call. I was waiting on that pullback. And it happened right when I would talk about another stock. And that son of a bitch is running. It's like, ugh. That's cool. I'm going to wait on the next setup. I'll wait. Wait another pullback, heard him jump in, and just ride the momentum and go with the flow. Because I'm not buying to the top. Like I said, the only reason why I missed it because I was helping somebody else. It's all good. I mean, my contract still look good, so I mean, that's why I'm not complaining. Because it still look like it has room to run on that contract. So all I'm doing is waiting on the pullback so I get back into these low areas. Because I could have got it. I was like, shit. Look, man, I could have been riding it. D-Money, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill Daddy. I'm going to kill him. I'm going to kill you. Nah, I was just joking. Dude, I could have jumped in, but I was helping them, man. I missed my call opportunity. I was waiting the whole time, and the minute I went to talk about another stock, that drop happened, and I didn't even see it coming. And I wanted it at 10, right back at that high day. It's like, you motherfucker. That's cool. I'm going to just wait on the next setup. Because I'm just trying to get in. Before we hit 512. I'm trying to get in before we hit 512. Because I'm telling where it's going to try to go. I think 512.50 is where it's going to go. But I'm trying to get in. I could have got in, but it's all good. Man, mess me up. Who? I'm going to hurt them. They messed up my entry. They got me on my entry. I'm going to get y'all, man. I was waiting on it. God, y'all got me. You got me. It's all love, though. I'm going to get y'all, though. I'm going to get y'all asses. If y'all not getting me with memes, y'all getting me with my plays. Y'all always doing something to torture me. What did I do to y'all? What did I do? What did I do to y'all, man? Come on, man. I'm going to try to go for it, though. If it can come back down to it. Can I get a pullback to that 85? All right, I got in. I'm going in one share. I mean, I'm just going to have to go bit by bit because since I didn't miss my big-ass entry I could have gotten in at. I'm going to try it. Just going in bit by bit because I could have had a better entry way down here. Now I got to just play this safe. Because some people distracted me. Only because I could have went in one more because I'm at a higher level. Had I was down here, D-Money, could have got in one more. But no, somebody distracted me. I couldn't do it. Way to go, a-ho. Way to go, a-ho. Dirty motherfucker, you. Messed up my whole entry. Messed up all my groove. I got in, though. I got in on that little bull. I mean, I want to see if we get a push up to 512. I mean, that'll still be a little $100 on a Friday. I mean, hey, I'll take that shit. I mean, I missed my entry. This was what I wanted to go in big here with 1,000, but we up this high, I'm just not doing it. I got to play it safe, man. Because my entry was messed up by somebody. I'm not going to say no names. Now I got to go with these type of moves. Thank you. You know what I meant. One contract. That's still 100 shares. It's 100. One contract is 100 shares. D-Money. It's still 100. It's still good. Make good profit. So if it run up, let me see. My contract I got in at where? 185. So even if it runs up to 285, that's still good. Cause that bad boy stuff, I got in good. All right. So I just need you to go up. Let me see what can my target to. I get out at $3 is 115. I mean, I can only go with what I got. I mean, like I said, I missed my entry. Well, I could have been sitting that way down here. It's all good, man. For a potential push up to 512, I'm just gonna see if we get that move. I'm gonna hurt y'all. I mean, like I said, I was gonna go in with more, but I got distracted and I couldn't go in with a better entry, so I just had to deal with what I got. I'm just going in with small little amounts, just testing it just to see. It's all good. Man, I might have missed it, you know. I might have missed it. It's all good, you know. It is what it is. I'm gonna keep it on watch. So we do these little pullbacks. I mean, I can still buy these little low areas, especially if we could get these squeezes, squeeze these bears out and push back on up higher. I mean, yeah. Because it looks like that's what it's doing. Because I'm not trying to stay in for long, team. I'm just trying to get in and out, man. I mean, I couldn't go with more because I had to get in higher because this is not the entry I actually wanted. So I didn't want this entry. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not the entry I wanted. The entry I wanted was down here, but I missed it. But I mean, still a good entry, so I just got to see if we do get to push up to 512. We do get up to 512. I mean, I just take my little profit, whatever. I don't care. I mean, just, profit is profit. Just take a little small move and just, hey. Green is green. Like I said, I could have had more, but again, we way at higher levels. I'm not chancing that with more contracts. I just go with a small one, make sure my risk level is low because I don't want to go in too many way up here. I'm just not doing that. Had I would have got in down here, I definitely would have got in with damn near 10 contracts. I could have did that, but I had to kind of deal with this situation. So it's all good. All good. So I'm going to just hold it and see where we go. See if we do get a push, get a squeeze, see if buys move in. We'll see. Now I'm just stuck in this crap. I'm just stuck in this crap. I could have been out a long time ago. Thanks, D-Money. Thanks, Jerhoff, for putting me on BA. Thank you for taking my eyes off of SPY. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Y'all are the best. Y'all the best. I'm going to get y'all asses for messing up my entry just now. I'm going to get y'all. I'm definitely going to get y'all for that. Oh, I'm going to get y'all. I mean, I don't mind challenges. Hey, Jay, I don't mind challenges, man. I was in a good area, though. I mean, we had a lot of buying pressure. I mean, if I would have got in, look at that buying pressure that came in and pushed it back on up, I was definitely in a good place. Nah, this is just going to be more trickier. So, it's going to be a little bit more trickier. So, it's going to be a lot up and down until we get the possible push on up to 512. Because I still don't think 511.38 is the high. I just don't think so because that is such an off number that just don't look right. It just don't look right for spot. 511.38 just does not, to me, scream out high of day. Like, I just really think we have some more in the tank. But now I just have to wait for a new setup. And I hate sitting here on setups because especially I've already seen this setup here. I'm gonna get y'all, man. Will you get in at 512 puts? No. I mean, I just want to call because honestly, like I said, Fridays I really don't like trading after 12. Jenna, like 12 o'clock, I really cut it off. Like the only reason why I did it because I missed my trade. I was like, let me just try to go for a little small trade, because I still think, and the only reason why I have confidence on the buying side because I just think that 511.38 is just not it. I mean, that's just me. I just don't think 511.38 is the high. I just really think we have more in the tank for a push up to 512. So that's why I'm holding it and on my position for a move on back on up to 512. And we do hit up to 512. I'm gonna get out, enjoy my little Friday, take my little funky profits. Due to the fact is I could have made more than that, but due to some people that like to, cause me problems, mess me up. I ain't gonna say no names, but you know what I mean. Nah, I'm just joking, man. I'm messing with y'all, man. Like I said, a little profit. Hey, I'll take a little profit, man. Look, money is money, green is green. You rock and roll with it. So long as you end the day on the green, hey, we still pushing on up. So I still think we're gonna go above that 511.38. I still think we're gonna get a push higher than that. So we're gonna see. We're gonna keep it on watch. This is just the part I hate. When you just gotta sit through this crap until momentum moves in. That's just the only thing I hate right here. It's just that I just hate it. I just hate this. I hate this. Cause this is such the annoying part. Cause I had my plan already figured out, but so just gotta strategize a new one and just keep the faith that this buy's gonna move in and kick up above 511.38 because I still think we're gonna see 512. I do think that in my heart, 512 is gonna take place. I mean, I'm not saying it's gonna happen right now. but I still think because 5-11-38 is just such an off number. And I got 2 more minutes with y'all guys. I'm gonna still keep y'all updated on my trades because I still gotta go because I gotta eat today. It's Friday. Kids gonna be getting out of school, so 2 minutes with 2 minutes left, y'all team. Still nothing for me right now. Still just up and down, up and down, up and down. Still kind of a little zigzaggy, so I'm just kind of So. If y'all have any questions, any comments, any concerns, anything, before I roll out, team. Right now I'm still holding, still just waiting. Like I said, just still waiting on these opportunities, man, to set up. I can still add more, as it comes down, just to lower my average. But yeah, I'm just still gonna sit on my hands, team, and just wait it on out, see what happens. Just be patient, let everything take place. But yeah, man, I will be back in Monday. I will be back in Monday, same times, 9:15 Eastern, 8:15 Central, as usual. We have no data. Let me go back to the charts while that's setting up real quick. No data at this time. Yeah, I'm in right now. I'm just doing a little small call just to see if we're gonna go back up to that 512. Also, I only went in with one contract because I had missed my inch right here, so I had to kind of deal with this little spot right here just to see if we're gonna still get that push. And the only reason why I say I still think we'll get a nice push because I still don't think that 5-11-38 is still no high day for me. I just don't. I still think we'll get a push before we do get a nice crack on down. I'm gonna keep it on watch, but that's why I'm playing small just in case because it's a Friday and just to see where we go from here. So, like I said, I'm gonna just play it smart. Not gonna jump the gun too much. Just keep it on watch. What's your next play you're waiting on? I'm in. I'm in right now. I'm on a call. I just want to see if we're gonna get that push up to that 512. I just want to see if the buying volume is gonna move in. We get that push. That's all I want to see. I just want to see a 512 touch. That's really what I want to see. If we don't get it, and if it don't go my way, I just take a little small loss, get out. But I just want to see because buyers had. After this drop, buyers did move back in. So that did show some type of buying pressure. That showed buyers in this area. So I still say I want to see 512. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait it out. But yeah, so far I'm gonna just sit here. Like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my trade. If I take a loss, I take a loss. It'll be a small loss. A little baby loss. If everything works out the way that I should, I just take a small gain. So I only went in with one contract. So I can still get in other areas. So I'm gonna just play it smart. Play it smart right now. So do you think 5 minutes is making a double top? The uptrend is still holding. Everything is still holding. Like I said, we're still in the uptrend at this moment till we crack it, So, again, I'm going to just keep it on watch just to see what happens. Like I said, if not, I'll take my little... I think the trend line is going this way, though. All right, we're pulling back. So, like I said, I'm going to just keep it on watch. Let me see where we go. To see if these buyers going to set up bad traps. But right now, still getting a little bit of pullback right now, of course. So, I want to see how, getting these little areas. But I know for sure this area is holding up strong because, look how much buying power came in. Oh, let me go do that. So, yeah, right now I'm just down slightly. I still haven't added any more shares yet. So, as you see, that's still holding. I could have added more right there. Could have definitely did that. Well, how low did that go? See, buyers are moving in slowly. But your candle, I'm going to keep it on watch. I'm going to just keep it on watch because I want to see where we go from here. Because everything is still holding. Everything's still holding, so I'm going to stay positive until we crack certain key levels. See, buyers are still moving in, so that's good. Just be patient. Sometimes you just got to be patient. You just got to weather the storm a little bit. See, buyers are pushing back in again. So you just got to weather the storm, wait for the movements, just let everything take place, let them set up bad traps, and then just move up from there. I could have added more, could have added another one. But, I will keep on watch out of my calls with the small green profit. Yeah, like I said, your buyers are still holding, Marty. Because every time you hit these levels, you got your buying power, your buying pressure still moving in at these key levels. So it's still showing that buyers are in. Because they could be setting up bad traps. They could be trying to trap these bears, for a pushback on up, for a possible push. So that's why I'm just sitting here watching these key levels at this moment. But yeah, guys, if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns before I roll out, do let me know. Other than that, man, I want everybody to have a blessed weekend. Oh, let me head to the lobby. Let me go to the lobby. I'm still in this. Let's go to the lobby. I apologize. Let's go to the headquarters. Let's go. Yeah, my fault, team. Yeah, let's head out to the before we clock out. So yeah, man, team, I definitely had a great week with y'all, man. Killed it on my swing trade, which was, what was that? That was yesterday or was that day before yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Killed my swing trade. Everything is still looking good. So, man, I'm grateful, man. Again, I thank you all, man, from YouTube, from all platforms, from Tradecasters, man. I thank y'all for believing in me, having faith in me, man. We rocking and rolling so far, so good. I mean, I'm grateful to be surrounded by great people, great traders, and we're going to just keep the ball rocking and rolling from here and there, team. So, again, I hope everybody have a blessed weekend. Gear up for Monday. Oh, and I didn't even bring up, we don't have anything Monday. Oh, yeah, we don't have anything Monday. Nothing is going to be Monday. Like I said, we will have Jerome Powell testifying on the 6th and the 7th. That'll be Wednesday and Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. But but yeah, like I said, Monday, no news, no economic data, no nothing. So it's just going to be a free day, basically off of volatility for Monday. But, man, again, man, shout out to everybody who profited. Shout out to those who didn't trade, who's still sitting in their hands being patient. Again, Fridays can be a little tricky, so don't force anything that is not there. And, man, again, I'm so glad that I'm a part of the YouTube program, the partnership program. We made it. YouTube, anything you need me to do, you got me. I'm here to stay a part of the program. I'm going to stay loyal, do whatever I can to stay rocking and rolling on there. So now y'all can drop super chats. Y'all can drop, what else can y'all drop? Super chats and super thanks. I think something like that. And something. Oh, super stickers. So I got to get used to all of this, man. I'm new to the partnership program, so I got to get used to all the new functionalities. But now y'all can definitely send some super chats and all of that of that nature. And yeah, we good to go. But thank y'all so much, man, for tuning in for today. I definitely will see y'all Monday. And y'all already know what I'm about to say before I roll on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every time. Till then, team, I will see you Monday. And y'all have a blessed weekend, team. Peace.